Yo, 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 we got the money taken out of our XFAs, so we are gonna try hitting a trade here. Nothing too crazy, but I did see us breaking below VWAP, so I wanted to get in here and possibly short this. So we're gonna see if it breaks this level, and if it does, then we are more than likely gonna go short here. And if it doesn't, we're going long for another pump up. Let's see what we could get out of the market today. And I was also just mentioned on Topstep TV talking about how I lost my live funded account. Kind of hurts, but not really. I know where I messed up. I messed up many times on that account, but it's a lesson learned. And there's always the XFAs and, you know, more accounts. So and I still have a decent amount of money if I wanted to trade my own account, which I don't. I want to trade prop firms because I prefer using someone else's money because it keeps my risk super low. I've lost $100,000 in a day of my own money because I just didn't know when to quit. Started taking losing trades and then started getting mad, started taking more losing trades. So with prop firms, you know, they kind of establish these rules. You can't break them because you just don't have the power to trade anymore after you lose so much. You know what I mean? So I'm going to stick with prop firms for the time being. I'm actually going to make a swing trading account. Not make one, but actually start making some swing trades as soon as the daily gets a little more clear. Right now, I want to swing short, but I just don't trust this giant wick right here. So I would swing long right now, but I'm just not too confident in my swing trading abilities yet. So I'm going to wait and see what happens with this daily chart, which is what we're going to be looking at primarily for the swing trades, along with the 4-hour, but mostly the daily because we're looking for patterns like this where it chops down, boom, and blasts off, which it almost looks like this is something like we saw over here, like but it looks like it might just be the beginning. So that's what I'm nervous about. You know, we might have a green day today, maybe it might turn green, but you know, I think we might have a little more downside. In this FVG right here, I would be looking to swing long. I think that would be a pretty sweet swing long. So, but we'll see what happens with the swing trading. I'm not too worried about that right now because day trading is just a lot more fun and I just enjoy it more. So let's see if we can make, I don't know, like $500 today. We're looking to get at least 3 payouts out of these XFAs. We already did one today for the $16,000, which they just took out. So we're sitting at about 5K per account, and we could trade 15 cons, but I don't think we're going to because that was my downfall on the live account. Just going too hard all the time with a 3K daily loss limit. It's just extremely hard to trade 15 cons. So we're looking at probably 3 to 6 cons, maybe 8 if we're feeling pretty good. Which right now, I'm actually feeling pretty good about a reversal. But it's holding this level pretty nicely. So I'm considering taking a reversal, a long play here. We'll see though. We're not going to jump into this too fast because now we only have these XFAs left. We don't have the live account anymore, so we gotta trade smart. And that's how we should be trading originally. It makes us better traders by taking right plays instead of just YOLOing into stuff, which I did quite a bit of in my live account because I had big confidence. You know, I didn't have amazing setup, but I had a setup. And you know, there were a lot of times where I did make a lot of money, but then I would take mediocre trades and lose it. So that is what we're trying to avoid here in 2024 by conquering our impulse trading, which has been a major factor in my losses. So we will wait for a nice confirmation here to see if we're gonna go short or long, because I'm considering shorts, but right now it's all about this level. If it breaks through this level, we're going short. If it doesn't break through and starts pumping back up a bit, we're going long. I would even consider going long if it touched it one more time. Like if it showed some hesitation, I would consider going long, because this could be very, very well be the bottom and the start of our uptrend. Even though this is a nasty drop, it took more than 50% of it, so I'm not too confident in the longs. But let's see what the market dishes out for us. This is a huge support level right here. This is also my daily support level that it's floating around right now. So this is a strong support. This is like a massive daily FEG as well, which makes me even more bullish. Scale. Let's make that average trade win 500K this year. Like an average winning trade 500K. Let's go. Let's try. Let's try going live. Let's see if I lag too much. Let's see if we don't lag out here, or if we don't get spikes on our Quan Tower. That's the main thing I'm worried about. We are sitting right on VWAP. Broken through it once, twice, 3 times, but we're not breaking that 506 level. So I'm thinking we actually do go long here. I mean, the daily candle is just looking so bullish. I mean, we ate up half of that candle, but we're wicking from both sides. So this is like a big determining factor right here. Like, which way are we gonna go? Which means we don't want to jump in a trade too fast. Even though this looks like a nasty long, I don't want to get dumped on here. Oh, it is lunchtime. I won't be able to hear you guys in here, by the way. I may need to put in my AirPods. Where are they, though? I have no idea where they are. Yeah, it's annoying how my Discord won't let me hear. I see you talking, ICT student. I wanted to talk to you, but my Discord's just so weird. Let me go get my AirPods, see if we can make it work. Okay, I got my AirPods. They were in my purse because only real men wear man bags. Let's see how we can make the sound work in Discord. Okay, the mic. Good. Gotta connect our AirPods. Oh, I think I can hear you
Hey,
guys.
wait.
Can you guys hear
Because
me?
of yeah, I can hear you.
So what's going on, ICT student? Coffee beans.
Um,
You're getting a lot of oh, is it 808?
808, 808. You're coming a lot of background noise coming out to your
I'm
feed.
gonna have to mute them for now. 808. If you could hear me, just let me know if you wanna say something, and I'll unmute you. But I am thinking we're gonna get like maybe one more 5 minute bullish candle, and then we're just gonna dump off a cliff. What do you guys think?
We just completely like went through that fair value gap on 1 hour chat, 1 hour chart. If you look at it, it was bearish. We went really close to the London high, but we did not take out any liquidity that sell side. So, and we just dived right back into that 16523.
Yo,
We're bearish.
And as well as on the daily chart, again, we're bearish again. And I'm looking at the buyers and sellers volume pressure. It's 356 to 155. So after lunchtime, we might, get some big volume coming in right now. But there was also a fair value gap on a daily chart of it was a bullish one. It just we tapped into it and went
yeah,
past it.
we literally just couldn't get past that 30 minute and that 5 minute fair value gap from like the London area.
See that we wicked through it, huh?
Yes, that's what I said, and I was like, okay, we might do it, but
But
I
no,
did
massive
not create it back
rejection.
for that because the news and the news also helped as well in the morning to just we took a nice dump on that as well.
That was good news, dude. That's what finished off my live account with Topstep. I
Yeah, I
went
want to
long
know. You
thinking it was
said you
good.
went long. What did you went long on?
Ah, it was a stupid trade, dude. I had like 800 bucks left in that thing after losing 2K in Asia, being a dumbass, and
'Cause I was up London time and I saw I was like, okay, I did a daily bias, whatever ICTT. So I was like, all right, so we're gonna be bearish, and I was like, all right, perfect. Since London created its high, it hasn't been taken out for the past 3 4 days. It's been the same, and it created again high. So that we were short, and now that's what I did. I went on it, made a couple of thousands. Like I'm good.
Bruh, I just went the last 2 days, three like it's for me it's like 3 a.m. Like 3 a.m. to 3:30 a.m. London was like just short London high, and that's it. I short London high and went back to sleep.
No, that's the thing. It's like
I
all
like
over
that
on the
strategy.
daily.
No,
Okay.
the thing is that it's good until it's not good, right?
Yeah,
Well, you
yeah.
gotta be smart with it, right? So, like I said, the daily bias and stuff.
Yeah, it was for me it was a sweep that it was like short after like if you see the London high get swept, and then just take the fair value gap, the 5 minute or I guess not the first one, but they're like a 5 minute fair value gap usually for me, and then like your high would be like the London high or the previous high
If you go back
as my stop loss.
in the chart, check the past
Hmm.
3 4 days. London has created high, but never the New
Never went
York
past it.
or it never go no, it never went back to that. So and I was like, all right, today was the confirmation. I was like, we're going down again. It came back up. I was surprised, but I was like, okay, it's probably because we have a daily fair value gap, which is bullish. I
You
was like,
think
all
we're
right, let
just
me
like
take.
waiting for NFP?
I'm just that's what I was like, all right, because we created a new low. We went past London's low and I think Asia's low, I believe, and we came back up very close to London high. So I was so confused.
Shit,
Oh yeah,
NFP's
yeah, yeah, yeah.
tomorrow.
I don't think we have any more big news today, do
No,
we?
no, NFP tomorrow. It's
Oh, we're
So
we're waiting for
dumping.
probably
tomorrow.
probably tomorrow as well. Kyle, do you only chart on your quant tower or do you chart on TradingView?
Trading view, I just use smart money concepts, and I'll trade. I mean, I'll chart the daily. That's pretty much it. I was using it for mostly planning my swing trades. Cause I'm gonna get into swing trading here soon, so I was testing out some stuff. But besides that, now for day trading, I'm only charting my 1 minute and 5 minute charts.
I'm looking at the all the makeup you have on your chart. How does that help you?
These are price
Is that the
levels,
volume, is that the
pivot points.
volume indicator that you have?
Oh, this stuff?
Yeah, buy and sell volume. Is that what you have?
Yeah, it's buy and sell volume, and then I have
I'll give you a
Delta,
better one.
this kind of stuff.
If you use the trading view, it's a private one. It's a code. I'll send you the code. Put it in the trading view. You will see a lot better than that.
Okay.
See the actual numbers, live numbers.
Yeah, deal. I mean, if I zoom in here, I can see the live numbers. I don't know why I have to zoom in. It's kind of annoying, probably because there's not enough room, but yeah, no, that sounds pretty good. Because I sit on the 15-minute chart on TradingView, so that'd be ideal actually. I think the
So just
15 minutes more relevant.
every chart, even if like right now in the daily chart, I can see there's 360,000 buyers and 188,000 sellers right now.
Hey, we're about to dump off this cliff, aren't we? I'm really thinking about taking this short.
Yeah, I think either we like dump to the low volume node area, or we're just gonna like kind of chop.
Yeah, I'm worried about the chop
You,
during
you,
lunch.
you guys are you guys gonna trade like that on the lunch hour? You guys need to have some
I'm just
confirmation,
looking
man.
at this because like lunch is
Yeah,
like the move has already been made with the unicorn setup over there, but
yeah, that's why I don't want to
so
get
I'm just
into
waiting.
anything right now. Cause fucking lunch.
Yeah, just waiting for the PM session, I guess.
Lunch is over in what, 10 minutes or 40 minutes?
It should be like 1 o'clock, right?
Which is 40 minutes, right? Ooh.
Uh,
Okay, let's do the setup. I'll tell you how to
Yeah,
set it up
40
really
minutes.
fast. If you want to go out of the setup,
yeah, it's 40.
Okay, 1 second.
send you the thing on Discord. You can just check your DMs. Okay, you guys said you guys are going. You guys want to go short? Can you guys tell me, elaborate on that? What is it you guys want to go short on?
Well, I was thinking it was gonna pump up and then blast right through, but I forgot it's lunch, so volume's not gonna be that high. It's not gonna be high enough to blast through, I think. Yes, might be. If it rejects view operator, nope, no rejection.
No, then let's go back to the dealing.
Dude, the 15 minutes looking super bullish right now. Like we're about to curl back up. We're gonna chop for a little bit.
It's not bullish. It's 19,000 to against 8,000. It's only bullish if it's like, let's say, between 1 to 3,000 against 20,000, not against
Just
8,000.
just looking at these wicks, dude. It tried to blast down. Nope. It's gonna boom and boom, right back up. That's what I'm thinking.
Well, there's already decided as a 528 and 31 relative equal highs. So we need to take that out at least first before anything. We might also trade back to the 547. There's a price imbalance, two candles, and then to balance the price, and then we'll dump back if anything.
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys trade based off of price imbalance, but based off of that too.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, price and balance. These levels are the same shit. Whatever you want to call it.
Yeah, that level of 16544. Those two candles.
I'm not looking for anything crazy today. So this might be the trade right here.
I'd say if after 508, that would be a good short entry. 508.
I feel like we might be getting ready for blast off here.
I know that's something I wouldn't take a trade. I also have ICT's Fibonacci retracement. It's specifically just for shorts. It's his own settings that I trade out of. I've been always right. It gives me 20 to 30 ticks minimum.
Hey, what am I doing with this code? Just copy it all and
So, yeah, copy it. Go to TradingView. Open it up. You see where it says Pine Editor beside the stock screener at the bottom, left, no left corner, bottom.
left corner over here. Ah, right here,
Where it says
Pine
Trading
Editor.
Yeah, Pine Editor. Yeah. Okay. Clear everything and add to chart. Or just call it whatever. Yeah.
What's this? Buy, sell? So volume.
Make sure you can find this when you search it up.
Yeah.
Okay, and now
Oh,
add to chart. Yeah, now
sure.
find add to chart, and then save.
So,
There you go. So you add two of them. Just remove the first one, the one whatever that you have on top. Remove the top one. Yeah. Okay. So now
What are the
save.
numbers?
So these are the numbers 7 to 1000.
Oh,
Those
right
are
here.
the buyer standards right there. Oh, right in the corner. Yeah, right there.
Yeah.
So now you go to a daily and you'll see. Bring up the daily chart. There you go. Live, right? It doesn't take time for you to load up. This is your live.
Very interesting. I like this. This is cool.
That's me. All the makeup that you have, the rest of it, ICT is like that's all just a lipstick on it.
Hmm.
This is all distraction for you. Yeah, I know a lot of traders likes to go based on VWAP. Can have that, but the rest doesn't really do anything.
Yeah, I didn't use VWAP for a long time, but I did notice that it actually does make some plays. So with 150% more per tick. Do we have that pump and damp? Free math day. Yeah, it's just pumping and dumping.
Not right now. Probably like by 1 o'clock we'll see some big movements.
Yeah.
Right now it's just gonna be choppy. Whoever gets in. You trading yesterday? New York Open. Did you see those candles? Each candle, 1 minute candles that moving 100 to 200 ticks up and
No.
down.
What?
Yeah, yeah. You should have seen yesterday what was going on. And people were trading that. I was like, you guys are idiots.
Just annihilated their
Nah,
accounts.
no, the day before yesterday was the one with the 100 tick moves up and down.
Even yesterday, I was like, it was up and down. It was like 100, 150 ticks. I was like, man, you guys have, I don't know.
I think the day
Yeah,
before yesterday is when I
Always
got
the people
wrecked.
that chase price. Says it's always the people that love, when they see a big candle going up or down, like, oh wow, I'm just gonna jump in 5, 10 contracts, and then the candle goes the opposite way. That's it. And they have, and on top of that, they have no stop loss either. I was like, yeah, perfect.
That's me, bud. That's
the
me.
I know
bro,
that's you. I'm not
Top
throwing
Step
shit
is
at you.
like, yo, I feel like Top Step was like, yo, tomorrow's NFP, let's give them the 50% discount.
Exactly.
Just let them get rolled. Oh shit,
They do that shit on purpose.
yeah. Oh shit, I didn't even think about it like that, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, man. It's like every time that yo, it's NFP week, yo, discount time, yo.
And I know a couple
It
of
makes
guys that were
sense.
here earlier trading with me. They bought a couple of accounts just because that they had the 150K account, but they said they are not allowed to trade more than 3 contracts at a time until they make like 1500 or something
Yeah.
off the 150K account. So they went and bought more evals and they made like 4500 on it each. I was like, okay.
Yeah, well, you can only like trade three expresses at the same time, but you could stack indefinitely, I think. So
No,
it's
it's just the greed in them, they just want to do it. I was like, okay. Like
I
if you
like
can't
to
pass one, what
like
makes you think
personally
you
for
can
me,
pass
like I like to
one?
just stack accounts like when I can, like backups just in case my
No, but
XFA.
yes, that's if you're trading with Apex, like because Apex is like fucking 7 days minimum, and then you need 10 minimum days of trading to take a payout. That's why I hate Apex, and they're always 90% off all the time, every other day, 90% off.
Well, they know their customer.
No, they really do. 'Cause
They
the
do.
people
They
that have
really
like
do.
20 accounts,
Yeah, because like for me, it's like every time they have that 90%, it's like I just scoop maybe like just 10 and then
Bruh.
just hold it.
Kyle, do you know a guy named Danny Trades on
Yeah.
Traders Evolve or some shit? You know
Yeah.
him? You remind me of him. That motherfucker is a gambler.
Bruh, he made bank yesterday and he lost like 1 point like 13 bands today, like
Okay, but
13K.
I'll tell you how he has the ball. So one day, at the beginning, very beginning when he was starting, I also started with him, and I was trying to get a discount off him because his membership or something went off some with the website he was using, and he sent me a link to the his dashboard where I could see how many people are joined, and how much he's making a month. That motherfucker was making 50K back then, like a year ago.
Oh yeah.
And I was like, now I understand how he has no problem losing 5 to 10K every other day.
No, dude.
Because
I
he
mean,
was
but he's
making that
also
much back.
winning a shitload. So it's
Yeah,
like when you're trading
I've
with
seen
that
him
kind of
make
size,
47,000. I've seen
but
him make that 47K. I was live with him that day.
yeah,
Amazing.
yeah. I mean, when you're
The
trading size, five to 10K isn't that much. Like with 15 cons, a 3,000 daily loss limit makes it almost impossible to trade 15 cons unless you have near perfect execution, or if you scale in. But 3K fucking goes like that, dude. So fast. So with like
Nah, his
20,
max
30
con size is
cons,
like 20. His max con
what
size
the
is like
fuck
20,
just
20,
happened?
80.
What happened?
The thing is, if he's getting 50K a month, he can easily take 20K of that and risk that
Yeah,
with
that's what he
no
does.
fear.
Well, now
That's
he
and that's
makes
what he
around
does. He's just
over
YOLO
100K
it.
now. Now he makes over 100K because I still have the link. I logged into it, but it was until he changed the website that he was looking at.
Because
Hi,
he
what
he
happened to
just
the door?
chases. Oh, it's
Because I went
breaking out. Oh,
live.
I'm gonna put
Fucking
2 tons
annoying.
in long. Like nonsense. That's just like it's just rolling the dice, hoping you get continuation, and you can do that when you have revenue streams. Like, look, it's the same thing with Patrick. He only took home, I think, 45K for the year of trading from Topstep. Like, that's
Oh
not a lot
yeah.
considering
Yeah,
that's
that
what he
what
does
was
for
that?
a
I was
living,
like,
right?
bro, he was. I thought he would be like at least up to 300,000. When I saw it was like 40K, I was like, what the fuck? That's it.
Losses are
I was
real,
like,
dude. Losses are real.
But the
Well, because
only
they don't show them, right? They make it seem like all they're doing is winning, and that's like
man, go watch the
when you
video
have
of
it's
him.
just point flipping,
Sorry,
man.
I know. Go watch the video of him like a year ago. He had so much hair. Now he's bald as shit. That first is getting the losses are getting to him.
Oh
well,
yeah.
I give him like props that like he actually like went he did was at the X he went live with Topstep and
Mhm.
then he made like was that 40 130K.
I mean, he was
130K?
Talking about
using him
Danny.
as a puppet,
Yeah,
man.
like
He was using him as a puppet.
130K on his XFAs and they put him live or some shit like that.
Yeah, but the thing, like, so let me tell you, there's another guy that I know from Topstep that got banned. So he, way before Danny, took 3 accounts, 3 XFAs in 2 days to 70K each. Then they tried to move him to live, and he posted a bunch of screenshots in a different Discord where basically Topstep said, "Oh, you can't like the brokerage or something has flagged your account." Now this guy is also posting screenshots of him having live accounts like with AMP under his own name
Mhm.
and executions and everything like it's legit. But for some reason, I don't know why Topstep didn't. It seemed like Topstep had an issue with him, not the brokerage, because he has with the same brokerage live account that he's shown and posted screenshots with his name under it. So I don't like it. If I was Topstep, I'd kind of do the same thing. Someone with a social media presence that's going to bring in people paying for combines, like a Danny, like a Patrick. I'd promote those
Do we
people.
want
But
to
someone that has
trade
no social media
this
presence and
chop?
is crushing it, like you don't necessarily want to like promote them the same way. But it's I
That's
don't know.
two
There's a lot of
G's a
YOLOers on
trade.
fucking Twitter and YouTube.
Yeah, that's true.
There are so many. There are so many. Why do you think out
Hmm.
of everyone, I was like, okay, I'm just gonna go with ICT. I know he has a lot of haters, but he has a haters for a reason, man. There's no way someone's gonna have haters for no reason.
Yeah.
Bro, but then he nags. He just he veers off course so much.
Mhm.
Well, the thing with ICT too is a lot of his concepts are rebranded old things too. Once you kind of look into certain old things, it's rebranded and repackaged in a
I
different
mean,
way.
it's okay. It's that's fine if he did maybe 5 or 10 concepts. But what about the people that are right now? I can name like 10, 20 YouTubers that are rebranding his content and calling it theirs.
Oh,
And
I know.
that's why he
It's
was like,
all,
I'm gonna give it away for free on YouTube. 2022, 2023, 2016, 2017, Forex,
but he's not
all of
giving
them.
anything away for free. Like fair value gaps were around before he ever existed.
No, it's not.
The
It's
ja-
not free value gaps.
like,
There is more than that.
no, but every concept he has been around before him. Order blocks, classic, basically like supply and demand, all that stuff overlaps, and it's just changed and tweaked a little bit differently.
The
Like
bearish
there's
order block, I haven't seen anybody. I looked into it. All of people said like the bearish order block. I've never seen where the current candle closes the opening of previous candle. I've never seen anyone talk about that. Like I looked into it. That
that's your classic levels trading.
no,
That's
that
the
for him.
that's
Well,
the soft. No, I'm telling you, there's guys that have been around here way before ICT that I've
okay,
looked
but
at
that's
that
good.
are.
At least he's bringing it to us. Where now, compared to other people, we're saying like, oh, this is
What I'm
as
saying
good
though
as
is like it's not like when you have his order blocks getting long like on a bearish order block at the top of the close or whatever of the candle. That's the like that's not the greedy entry. The greedy entry would be the bottom of the candle with like from the bottom of the body of the candle to the wick. That's the
good.
greedy entry, and then the kind of non-greedy entry is what ICT is showing. But that shit's been around for a long time too.
A lot of
Like
things
his
has been
concepts
around, but
work. I'm not saying they don't, but
that's what I'm saying.
it's
Is the way he explains it good? That's one thing. And I whatever that he said, like he also is like, hey, to do back tests and go check on chart. Don't just listen to him. And that's what I did on with his daily bias. That's one thing I like. One of his most concepts is the weekly and daily bias. I did back tests of like almost 2 months, and every day I was right with it. So I was like, all right, there's no way this guy would be, just posting bullshit
uh,
on it.
the thing is there's a reason why he doesn't trade live.
I mean, let's not get into those theories. Some people are gonna say, like, I don't know if you like him or you don't like him. It's okay if you all have different opinions, but based off of the concept that I use him off of him, it has been working for me. That's all I can say.
But no, I'm not. I agree. He gives you a method. He gives you a methodology to follow with rules, and you do that with any methodology with rules. If you're smart and you have good money management, you're gonna make money.
And that's it.
But
That's all that matters. And I don't think he's allowed to even do that. Like give people on a real account because he doesn't have the license to give
you can't.
trading.
All you have to do is give a disclosure that this isn't financial advice.
Yeah,
That's
Yeah,
it.
no.
that's how
He,
It's
the
not.
he,
It's
he, he did. I think he did talk about it once that I don't know. There was a lawsuit against him or something that they were trying to get him. Oh, he was talking about it on a live. He did that was the only interview he has ever done
oh, we're
face on face.
dumping again. Yo.
Yeah, I told you 508. We were expecting some shorts. I don't know if you guys saw it or either 508. Well, you guys weren't there. Sorry.
I'm still
But
bullish for some reason.
well on the higher time frame. It hasn't switched
no,
to bearish.
on a one
You look
hour
at the 5 minute.
on a 1 hour. No, you looking at 5 minutes?
Well, if you're looking at today from 9:30 open
I'm looking
till
at the
now.
hour. That's the
No, I
12
know.
o'clock.
But if you're looking at it from an intraday for New York session has been bullish.
Yeah,
It's
that's
still
obviously it's always going to be like the New York Open is always like that.
no, well, not always. Sometimes it just straight fucking dumps.
Yeah,
Yeah.
if Powell
Like
scores the point,
fucking Tuesday, dude. I got
one
caught in
second.
that. Fucking minus 12 G's.
If Powell just
I'm
goes up to the
fucking
camera, I
retarded.
Al
boom,
goes like, I am
200
here
ticks
to
down.
help.
Yeah, 200 ticks down. Stop loss
Oh,
hit.
God.
Stop loss hit. Fucking hell.
Over,
Yeah.
yeah, big picture, it's shifted bearish, but currently, right now, it's bullish on New York.
Yeah, I think I got a pretty decent entry. I think I'm gonna sell at 24 here though.
We're in an idiot box right here. We're
And
just
Now, Kyle,
ranging.
wait.
I'm
Yeah,
gonna
just
I'm gonna
wait.
try trading this range right here. I'm gonna wait for it to pump up right. I'm gonna fucking
It's called
sell it.
idiot box for a
No.
reason.
No, but
What,
Ray,
what pump
dude,
is there? What are you talking about, Kyle? Which pump are you talking about? Can we see
No,
the pump?
just this little pump right here, dude. I'm gonna make like I don't know, maybe $1,000 per account. That's $3 grand.
There's no
Bro,
way
it's
that
an
market
idiot
that thing is
box
gonna
for a
go again.
reason. Why are you trading this?
but you can trade this lunchtime range. Sometimes is the easiest thing to trade. Just trade the edges.
That's what I'm saying. This
Yeah.
doesn't seem too bad. I got a sick entry. I'll take a small loss if I have to, but I think there's a lot of upside to this. I don't see anything wrong with this trade at all. No, it makes sense. I mean, we caught the bottom of the range. If it breaks out, I mean, stock trading is gambling in reality. What is gambling? What is the definition of gambling? It is putting up money on a certain outcome with an outcome that is always uncertain. What is trading?
What are you long from here?
Wait,
My
did you go
question
long or
is
did you
this.
go short?
He's playing.
I'm,
He's
I'm
playing.
long
He's
at
trying, you're playing,
506, dude. I'm gonna take
playing
this
the edge,
scalp.
man.
No,
Yeah, fuck it, dude.
Oh,
506,
he went there.
506 is a good long.
That's what I'm
506 is a
saying.
No,
good
he
long.
went.
What's
Yeah, he
wrong
went
with
short.
this?
Yeah.
He
Nothing
went long,
right.
very low
Nothing.
market.
No, that's a good long, man. 3
No,
contracts, you're up good right now.
That's what I'm
Yeah.
saying. Yeah, I think this is a
I was
sick
like,
trade.
if you were like
Three,
longing
please.
somewhere in the middle, I'll be like, bruh.
Nah, fuck that, dude.
I would
I know, that's what
look.
I thought too.
That's
I would
gambling.
look to take profit at 525 at least.
That's what I was
one.
thinking. Yeah, I was just
Yeah,
gonna close
yeah.
them all out, dude.
Guys,
No,
it'll go to
dude,
528 for
lunchtime.
sure.
Lunchtime is the best time to load heavy on the edges. It's safe.
And then nobody knows where it's gonna go, up or down. You guys gotta pray. That's it.
Yeah, well, I mean, if
But the thing
if
is,
it ends
it's
up
not
going
gonna break
down,
during lunch.
I'll take a small loss. I'm okay. You know what I mean? Like if it breaks what 501, 500, I'm just gonna get out.
Kyle, what is a small loss to you? Could you elaborate on that?
I don't know.
'Cause we don't know. Either it's a 100K account or
Yeah, but on 3 contracts,
This is
if
a
you're
small
long
lot.
at,
That's
like,
400
5
bucks. It'd be a $400
Yeah,
loss.
what is a small
nothing,
loss to you? Because you just lost a 100K, man. I don't know what's
Alright.
a small loss to you. You have to. Please.
Dude, fucking 100K is a big loss. Let's just say that. But that was also over like 2 months. I've lost 100K in a day, and that's when I got really fucking pissed.
But the thing is, your logic is sound. I don't disagree with you. It's lunchtime right now. It's not gonna break like during lunch. The chances of it breaking during lunch are very low. The chances of it ranging from edge to edge of the range it created during lunch is highly probable.
That's what I
And
was
if you
thinking.
longed at 506 right now, you're up big. If you're in 3 contracts right now, you're up good right now.
Yeah, I'm gonna hold this
It's a
one, see
good
if it
play.
breaks out. If it doesn't, then fuck it, I'm just gonna sell.
Guys,
I'm up 900 bucks per account.
Kyle, when Kyle says a small loss, he means 10K, 20K, 30K, 40K, anything. It's not $400 by the way. Don't just go to your account. Oh, Kyle said small loss. Okay, can you do the same?
No, dude, with prop firms, a small loss is like $1,000, I'd say.
A teacher's, 2 teachers' salary in just one day. Not a small loss. Be careful.
Fucking A, dude.
Kyle, what we should do like 2-3 people, who are good at charting. We all do charts, and then we go based off of that, the group charting.
Yeah, I like the sound of that, dude. When you brought that up earlier, that's like gold right there. I know some guys that teamed up. It was like 2 to 4 people or some shit, and they made fucking millions, dude.
I know. The Hugo guy, he sounds pretty experienced. Your Shambles, bro, that Shambles, that guy is full of ego, bro.
Dave is so
Dude,
funny, dude.
me and Sham,
He's an
We're on the
awesome dude, dude. He's an awesome dude. He's just funny as fuck and loves to troll.
I know. I'm saying
he
like,
trolls a lot.
And trolls a
You know,
lot. It's so funny.
We would, because
he
we're
put
on,
me on a timeout for 1 week.
we're on
I was
West
like, bro,
Coast,
what?
so
For 1 week, he put me on timeout for 1 week, and then he's like, okay, 1 day, and he's like, all right. 1 hour. He's like, all right, timeout.
What'd you do to deserve the timeout, though?
Nothing. We were just talking about the Topstep, and I think I misunderstood something, or he misunderstood what I said, and then based off of that, he's going back and forth. He's like, "Oh, I'm an admin." I'm like, "Okay, so like, all right, kick me out, man. What do you want to do?"
No,
But
no, he's not gonna kick anyone
then he
unless
realized-
it's called for.
He realized that all right, he overreacted to something. He's like, all right, went from 7 a whole week to like 10 minutes and then back.
me and him though numerous times would talk in the evening because like we're both on West Coast, and we would call fucking tops and bottoms. That shit that when he like that you made a bunch off Kyle when he was like fucking Max Schwartz bottle or top
Yeah,
shit.
I like that call a
We were
lot,
I
dude.
was having a conversation. Like, I have a newborn, but I was having a conversation with him on Discord as well, and he's like, "Stop repeating what I'm saying," but like I didn't even realize because I'm so out of it that he said basically the same thing I was looking at before I even read his messages. But numerous times we just didn't take the plays because we go to bed. And I personally can't like set it and forget it. I don't have like I wouldn't be able to sleep, but there's enough of us in here that know what we're doing.
Exactly.
I think.
I know.
Like,
When you start saying, it, I was like, okay, because some people messaged me about my Fibonacci retracement. They thought it was an indicator. I was like, bro, are you fucking idiot or what? I showed them like 6-7 trades that I took based off of that today from London until now, and they're like, oh, okay. Then they're like, oh, can you give me the settings too? I was like, come
Yeah.
on, man.
I use this. I don't know if it's the same one, but I use the same. Like I posted it for projections, and there's a bunch of times when I like caught a manipulation off London that caught the tops and bottoms of New York.
Yeah, look,
Fucking cutie.
right before the shorts came in, when it went to close to London high, the 582, I put the retracement at 545, between 545 and the 582. I saw all those shorts coming in. Some people were taking trades off of it, and they're like, oh, some people made like 5,000. There's one guy, what was his name? Smart Mind or Mastermind? Yeah, Mastermind. That guy made off it. I was like, oh, thank you.
Yeah,
All right.
got in here. What's up?
There you go. Mastermind is here. No, I was just talking to him about the Fibonacci retracement that you took when I called those shorts, and you took. I don't know. I guess you were like, all right, I'm just trust it. And you went off of it based off of that. Kyle, are you still in that trade?
Nah, I got out.
I saw those shorts. I was like,
I might enter again though if I get. That was a $700 trade. Not too bad. Oh no, are we gonna dump off a fucking cliff right now?
I told you 508. What? I saw it.
You was the
Who
talk.
was it?
You was the talk of the day, Cal.
Yeah, you heard that on Topstep.
I mean, it is what it is. They talk about you though.
Yeah.
Payouts look crazy.
No, I listened to it too, dude. They had good points, dude. I realized I fucked up multiple times.
Listen, 90% of people don't get no payouts. So it is.
Fucking right, dude. And they were actually wrong about the payouts too. I made 59K or like almost 60K, like 59 and change.
Yeah, some people
But,
make that throughout the whole entire career trading. You know, you did that in a small span of time. So
could have been a lot more. Is what's killing me, but it's okay. It's okay. They'll probably bump me up to live again soon. I know, but I had 100 G's in my account, dude. I had 100 G's in there, and I just didn't take any out.
I mean, you could do it over and over, though. That's the thing.
Yeah, exactly. So that's why I'm not too worried about it.
Nope, you can do it all over again.
Fucking right. I already know they're gonna try bumping me up to live again with these XFAs, which I actually don't want. I prefer XFAs.
I think XFAs are better. I don't know about the lives. Yeah.
That's what I'm saying, dude. I make 3 times the profit, dude, per trade. It's like I'm trading 45 cons instead of just 15. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Or if I'm trading 3.
You just tell them you don't want to do that right now. You got to, work on some stuff.
You don't have a choice.
Yeah, they don't give you a choice.
Oh, really?
My only vice with
coming to,
XFAs is the issues in
45.
Sim.
There's a price imbalance there. If you want to look at it, and that's what.
Just make sure that they go on there, just lose a lot, and then they'll kick you off.
Yeah. Nah, dude, they don't give a fuck when I was losing. I lost. Yeah, I think they said I lost fucking 3K a day for 2 weeks in a row, dude. They didn't give a fuck. I know. I kind of want to enter shorts, but I'm fucking nervous.
You're chasing.
That's what I'm saying. Do we catch it? Do we knife catch?
There's another price. No, wait. There's another price imbalance at 475. You can catch it to there. You see that?
475. Knife catch.
Yeah.
Oh shit. My favorite,
Catch a
dude.
knife?
My favorite.
No.
Dude, that's degen shit. If you're looking short right now, that's some serious degen.
No, all right, now wait. 15 minutes. We are still bearish on the 15 minutes. Not that big.
I mean, I'll go long at 443.
443.
I think that'd be a sick long for a little bounce, or we're just gonna blast through it. I don't know.
Right now, well, the market always does. When it comes to one imbalance, it always tries to manipulate. So there's 3 till
You guys don't think this is a sick short entry right now?
Fuck no. I would not
No?
short this right now. Hell no. At 9:45, well, at 12:45 or whatever fucking time zone you're in, I would not short right now.
Hugo, what about the price imbalance at 476, between 476 to 493?
What time frame are you looking at?
I'm looking at the 1 minute right now.
Okay, yeah, I see. See, the thing is, like,
I think this is a sick short.
I don't know if it would go down there during lunch. I don't trust it to go down.
Oh, it's
there during
lunch. Yeah, I keep on forgetting it's fucking lunch.
That's my issue right now. I think what this is manipulation. Like that's what this is right now. I don't trust this move as like a move.
Yeah, but Hugo, it took out the price imbalance at 487, between 487 and 542.
Yeah.
So the manipulation was
I
that
don't.
green candle where people
If it was
long.
If it was not lunch, I'd
Mhm.
say yeah. But the fact that it's lunch makes me very suspicious about
I mean,
their
we took out
intent
all
here.
the relative equal lows of within that the 502, 503, and also the 495. We took out all the liquid sell side, oh sorry, buy side liquidity, all
Yeah.
of it. I think we're gonna
The
go for
only
that
thing
second
is,
candle that I said,
when you look
476.
at
Yeah, go
really
ahead.
what I'm looking at, if you look at the dollar,
Mm-hmm.
the dollar is filling, like on the 5 minute on the dollar is filling an imbalance, bearish imbalance, like a bearish fair value gap. The
Let
You
me
look
check
at
ES.
ES,
Yeah, let me check ES real quick.
ES 5 minute hasn't broken a key level I have yet at
What are you?
40,
What's your key level?
45, 45.
No, we okay.
So 45, I expect a potential bounce, but it's lunch, so I wouldn't like.
What about the equal relative equal lows of that 47? Sorry, 742 and
Yeah, well, I'm looking at that. That's
41.
what I'm saying.
Because that's
ES
where
hasn't broken the structure, like it hasn't broken bearish in terms of the five
but
minute. But when I
what
look
if
at NQ,
mhm.
for example, NQ has the swing low, like it's broken it now. And the next swing low is basically fucking market open at the very bottom. So I just don't trust the short.
Especially at
I
lunchtime,
like,
yeah, I agree with you. But like after one I say 1:30, that's when the ICD says like to trade at least minimum, do not trade before 1:30 for lunchtime.
no, absolutely. I'd wait. I'd wait. I wouldn't try and, because I almost fucking guarantee you this is gonna rip up before it goes back down if it's gonna go down because it's
Well, yeah, we do have
1250.
relative equal highs right here, all right, above 532, 527. But
Yeah,
what
well
I
that's
wasn't taking out.
exactly what I'm looking at.
I'll go fucking long right now.
No, wait.
I would I would go long before going
I would go
short.
long
Yeah,
over short.
Yeah.
exactly. Yeah. I wouldn't
You guys
fucking
are
do
giving him
anything, but
gambling
if you
ideas.
put a gun to my
Okay,
head, a gun to my head, I'd long before shorting.
If it fucking hits 83
This
again,
is-
I'm going one con long. Fuck them, dude.
I'm gonna add something that isn't ICT related.
Is that Drew?
This is Bashy.
Bashy, my boy.
This is the area where all the buyers at 7:30 came in to push the market above VWAP.
Okay.
This is the do or die area. If it goes below this like 476 area, they're all going to be losing money from the initial balance.
They will. And why? Because we have so much bearish support from the previous days. And also the monthly, weekly bias is also bearish if you go look at it.
I'm just saying, like this area, it's either going to hold here or it's going to break below. I mean, this is like that do or die area. But
I'm willing to risk one con.
it's still bullish on the day. I would go long over short in this area.
Yeah, same.
Ah, fuck, I
Like,
didn't get it.
I don't trade just ICT. I look at like
No, 100%.
a couple different things and have my own system. But exactly, like the dollar's pushing up to a bearish imbalance during lunch, and then 1 o'clock comes around. What's the dollar probably going to dump? And then this fucking shit goes back up because, and like you said, exactly, all the people that longed in the morning that were right, that maybe took profit or whatever, now it's just coming back down to either shake them out or to fill more orders there.
No, well, I mean, if it's retail traders, let's be honest, retail traders don't make the market. There's
No, they don't.
they're nobody. So yes, they might have hoped it to go up, but if the market is coming back, that means they're not strong enough. The buyers are not strong enough to keep going up because they didn't take out the London high. If you see, that's where the
No,
liquidity
yeah,
was,
I
right?
see that.
They didn't.
But the
They
thing,
weren't strong enough. They weren't really close to it. But the market came back and they tried back going up at what 573, failed back down
but
and made so much
the
relative
thing
highs.
is though, like when you think about these people, like, then I know a couple people that run hedge funds. The shit they'll do, for example, is they'll buy NASDAQ or ES option calls and then they'll fucking throw thousands of lots on ES to push it higher so they can
On
sell their
purpose,
fucking
yes,
call options high. And then when they sell
100%.
all those call options, it dumps it like you see right now. But they're still long from that initial balance that Bashi's talking about on the actual futures contract. So like this shit's fucking crazy what like manipulation is
Manipulation,
doing.
exactly. There we go.
But
Now
the
we
thing is, when I look at it, it's on the day, it's still bullish. It hasn't, like, it's lunchtime. It just had a pretty big dump for lunch. It's not a big dump, but a big dump for lunch. I wouldn't fucking knife catch that low volume. You're not going to get continuation. If you look at it right now, as we've been talking about it, kind of at the bottom there at 482, like you look at it now, it's up. Like, and that's a thing. Like 2-3 contracts on NQ, you're up 15 points now. That's a lot.
Around there,
Like
yes.
that's a lot on Express, right? And you look at it, like, look what it's doing right now. So but again, I'm done for the day. I've made my money. I'm not gonna
No,
fucking touch it.
I was done like around 9 o'clock. I traded London. I
Yeah,
caught good moves, and then I was just helping out some other new guys were here. I just gave
yeah,
them some it was like the Fibonacci retracement that you saw that I have. It's for short,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
So I called them some short. They caught. They all made like 2-3 thousand. I was like, all right, you guys need to now hop off computer, don't trade over trade.
Because what
I mean,
I
go
think
ahead.
I think this leg down, I think what this leg down was manipulation for it to go higher. That's my guess. Like,
Yeah, like
obviously, like,
go
I don't.
higher past London's high.
Yeah, exactly. That's
Let's
what I
see.
think this was. But you won't see until after lunch. The thing is, until after lunch, we won't fucking know.
But you see,
Because
Hugo, if you look at that, the high that we just made, it took out all the relative equal highs right underneath London high. Took out all of it, but it failed there. So unless if we really come back to take out at least up, or let's say 574, then yeah, there's a good chances of us pushing higher.
mhm. But like, if you had to tell, like, if you sat there and you were like, what do you think is going to happen? What I think this dump from 520 to 480, I think that was just a manipulation to shake out the people that are long, and now it's going to go up after, like, for the rest of the day, for the next 2-3 hours. That's what I think. I don't think this is going to plummet down more today. It could just fucking go sideways too. Like, that's sort of how it's been going on the days. But
We have to remember NFPs tomorrow. So
I know
exactly, well, that's just the thing, right? So
that's what I
this
was
is all
thinking.
just cuck shit that they're doing right now, like that the market's doing. But I wouldn't until I see what happens after lunch. I'm very inclined, and even that first 30 minutes after lunch, that a lot of the times is manipulation too. Just fucking shaking people out or whatever, going to where it needs to go.
Always
But
the retail traders with no stop loss.
the thing
Don't
is,
worry,
it's not the retail traders with no stop loss, because how many retail traders are participating in the futures market with live money? Everyone's fucking trading props on sim.
Yeah,
We don't influence the market at all. We influence it less than we used to, in my opinion, for
we might see some
retail in
shorts coming in
futures.
right now.
And the thing is, a lot of retail that did options 0 days stopped doing options 0 days, because now you have these futures prop firms. It's easier and it's safer. But
Yeah.
who the fuck knows?
There's tomorrow's news. I'm probably gonna trade be London, and then that's it. I'm not trading tomorrow because
But,
it's news throughout. Even if FOMC at 1:30 again, so even if I like ICT says like just wait for the morning news and trade in the afternoon, but there's fucking news in the afternoon as well.
well, and it's a short week too, right?
That's true.
But you got
And
a
the
bunch
first
of
week
shit.
of the year.
Yeah, exactly.
Hey, I see T student. Are you trading Topstep?
No, take profit trader. I hate
Take
Topstep,
profit.
bro. Those motherfuckers, they did me dirty.
Oh,
You know, with the so when you get the funded account, right? You cannot
XFA
trade
or
more
live?
than, huh?
The XFA or the live? Oh.
Except when I was new to it, so they don't let you trade more than 3 contracts. You have to go to a certain. I was like, bro, what the fuck?
Yeah, scaling plan.
Yeah, they cuck you at a what two, right?
Yeah,
At XFA,
and
and then
especially on
until you hit like 1.2k or 2k, then they give
1500, I
you like
think
one extra
1500.
con.
Yeah, it's so bullshit. And then on a 50K account, so let's say you can buy 5 minis with it, but if you want to trade micros, you cannot trade more than 5 micros. It's not about the size, it's about the number of contracts you can deal. So on a 50K account, you can only trade 5 macros or minis. You cannot do 10 macros. You cannot do 50 macros. You cannot scale up.
Yeah,
That's what I
So
hate
on
about
that issue
but
too, I also have that same issue with them. But then like I've been hearing that I think they're planning or they're thinking about allowing, what's that, 1 to 10. But
Well, yeah,
then
it still doesn't make sense. Like, just be like Apex. Like, hey, it's 5 minis or 50 or let's say 30 micros. Fine.
yeah,
Please.
that's the thing with like prop firms. Like they have to have somebody do it, and then enough people do it so that they are at a disadvantage. Then those then do it. It's like there's no
They are
point in.
the take profit is also has been getting some publicity off of it.
Yeah, like I said, they're just dragging their
Patrick,
legs.
the Patrick guy also went into it, I think. And by the way, the take profit is also yeah, he's searching out. It's also a registered prop firm, by the way.
I think I had tried these guys before, but the daily non-realized drawdown, right?
Yeah, 1100 on a 15K account. But you know what's good, Kyle, about them? So like they allow you to reset 3 times. So like obviously it costs like the 150K account. It costs like 1600 to reset it. It's a prog. It's a funded account like the XFA. And three
No,
times you
it
can do
costs
that.
for 50K. It costs like
No,
$600.
I know. So
If
if
you
you're
burn
smart,
the
you
funded
can make
account,
that in a day.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you
if
get 3
you can reset,
resets.
you can reset the funded account. So if you don't want to wait the 5 days, because let's be honest, if you're a smart trader, you can make that 1500 in a day.
hmm.
So there's really no need to be done.
Yeah, if the reset for the 50 is like 600 something. It's like 1%.
Oh, they also have PayPal, by the way. You can send money PayPal too. So
Oh,
not just
you
that.
also can only trade 50 you can only have 50
Executions,
total contracts a day.
yeah, I
No, it's
see
50
that.
executions, not 25 trades. So
55.
getting
Yeah,
getting in a trade, getting out of trade, that's 2 executions.
yeah. Filled,
But
filled.
exactly.
So if you do that with 15 cons, does that count as 30?
No, that counts as
No,
2. You
Okay.
buy one, and then when you sell it, that's another. So that's
that's
2
2
trades.
And they're also running right now a promotion where they give you 50% off, and then when you pass the first eval and you go to a pro account, they'll give you another eval account for free.
Mm. You copy trade them?
Yes, in a Quanta, no, sorry, in a Tradeovate, yes.
Mm.
Who's talking? There's like too much background noise. Oh, patient, there's a lot of background noise coming out of you.
Muted them. Use a message in chat to get unmuted.
Can you mute this one person? Patient?
I did mute. Oh, I muted him for me, didn't I? Hold on. What about now? Is it good?
Yeah, it's good, it's good. Thank you.
Server mute. There you go. It was gone.
Yeah, I got a jet lag, guys.
Jet lag?
Yeah, you got a jet lag.
Mm.
He said it was because when yes, and they're working on fixing the close to mean ratio. I don't know. Top step is I don't like it, especially the where you need to have 5 green days and it has to be 200 over. Like, what if I want to trade micro and I just want to make like $10 just so I can the green day? No, you have to make exactly 200. And imagine losing that 200 and now you're trying to revenge trade to make that back, and then you
Yeah,
end up
it's
blowing
only
your brain.
5 days. Top Step is the real deal. They the ones that started it though. When it's all said and done. So
And these prop firms, all they want is just to take your money. That's it. They have no interest in.
Hey, but why not though? Right?
Every
You can't
business
blame 'em.
does.
Good
Yeah.
business.
But I think they're pretty good, dude. I mean, I tried take profit before. The daily drawdown, it's like you have to be a scalper, and I'm not a scalper.
You're a
So
gambler.
like Apex. That's like
I'm not a
Apex.
gambler
Apex,
either. I just trade trends. And I
that's how
also
Apex is. Little
You know what
drawdown.
ICT says? ICT says the trend is not your friend. You're not the market maker.
okay, well ICT can suck my cock 'cause I don't give a fuck what he says. He'll probably make more money than that pussy. Show me someone that makes more money than me, and then I'll take their advice. But until someone makes more money than me, Why the fuck would I listen to that? Do I want to make less money?
Of course.
That's my motto. But if he's making a few mil, which he very well could be, probably off YouTube, but maybe from trading too. I think ICT is a little bit outdated, but I do use some of his concepts. I do like his style, but I prefer these levels and pivot
Few things,
pivot
it's
points
like,
more.
you know, you don't have deep pockets like those hedge funds. You know, they're the one just throwing 1,000, 2,000, lots into it, like contracts. You don't have that kind of money, bro.
Well, okay, so you need to also keep in
Even better.
mind that the market is changing, honestly, minute by minute. But you have to realize that these hedge funds with quant trading and algos, they might come in one day and be like, buy up every time it touches a VWAP, buy off a VWAP, or this EMEA or this. It's always changing. It's never consistent. That's why I don't think it's the best to follow ICT to a T, because I don't think it's a smart idea to not adapt.
But do you think someone who's willing to, dump like 200 million into Nasdaq or S&P 500 ES, for example, you think they're gonna go based off of an indicator?
Yeah, why would they
Indicators
do
suck
it?
ass.
Have you listened to ever interviews about quant trading or anything other
I don't
than?
trust them. That could be a whole lie just to make. Just
But
to
you
manipulate
trust
the
ICT.
traders. Is
I
that-
I see
ICT is
hypocrisy.
good, dude. You gotta
I
take
don't-
ICT's rules and make your own.
Yeah, that's the whole point. ICT doesn't tell in every video, in the beginning video, mid video, end of the video. He says, "Don't just trust me. Just go to the chart, go back test it." I didn't trust him blindly. I don't just say, "Oh, I heard from him." No, back tested it, like the daily buyers that I believe in so much, because I back tested it for like 2 months every day, not trading, just trading on a demo account to see if it actually work or not. It kept doing the same thing.
Yeah, I'm gonna say it where I did study ICT. I like what he taught, but you can't deny that. In the beginning of December, it was day after day of just VWAP tests. If you bought off VWAP, you would have made a shit
didn't-
ton. You can't, but you can't turn a blind eye to those things.
No, of course not. See, but it's an indicator. After all, it's an indicator, right? So if there was a indicator that was making people money, I think the market would be just everyone would be trading. What would there be? Plumbers, electricians, doctors, teachers.
Well,
Everyone's
it's
like,
no,
hey,
it's not about that, right? So, say you have, let's just say that the entire trading population was down to 10 people, right?
Mhm.
If you have one person buying off of this indicator and then the second person buying off of this indicator, or again, the entire trading population is down to 10 people. That's still 10 different time frames, 10 different strategies that they're running. That market is still going to be insane, even if it was just 10, right? So think
who's
about
gonna-
it
who's
now,
gonna make the
expand
market?
that.
So who's gonna make the market in that case?
The algos make the market. The hedge funds running the algos make the market. And it's
Exactly. So
always
they're-
changing. It is always changing.
Yeah, and market has algorithm that us humans, we cannot always
Mm.
read them and compete with them.
ICT student, tell me if this is about to dump off a cliff.
What is it? Nah, bro, nothing until 1:30. I told you. ICT, according to ICT, is after 1:30. Do not trade before 1:30.
Oh shit, I'm already in.
I know. I saw it. I
Bruh.
was like, oh, I'm looking at it. We're down 300 already. I'm looking at it. Don't worry.
400. I think it's gonna dump. But if it pumps anymore, I'm gonna fucking get out.
There's definitely things that everybody in trading learns eventually.
Of course, you own
Hedge funds need money, or they need liquidity to move the market in their direction. That's a known. The other thing is time. Time is the true constant in trading, right? It's the only thing that's truly controllable.
100%. See, market is like how this is like you can make a lot of shit ton of money off of it, but you're taking money from other smart people. So it's like people are taking money from each other. So you really have to be smart to take it from other people.
Weren't ICT traders getting killed in December?
What did you say?
Weren't ICT traders getting killed in December? Like they weren't making any money. Like people trading ICT concepts.
Which concept of him? Could you elaborate?
That's what I'm saying. There's like 50 different iterations of it, but if it's all
Exactly.
like all smart money concepts, if that's the name
Okay.
he's going for it,
Okay,
but
so I'll
like
tell you
none of
this.
them were making money.
Okay, so I'll tell you this. Let's say you learn, let's say ICT has 20 concepts, right? And you learn all of them. Are you gonna, by the time you're trying to implement all of them to yourself, or by trying to get a setup in one of those, the market will be closed. Or let's just say you learn five. Now, out of those five, if you don't see a concept, if you don't see any setup in those concepts, just don't trade that day. But if you, but no, you that's just because you woke up today, it doesn't mean you have to trade today. Not
So
every day could
were
be
you
a trading
profitable in
day.
December?
Hmm? I
Were
was
you
backtesting the daily best. That's what I was learning. That's why I'm so strong on it right now because I kept backtesting that his daily bias concept,
forward testing or back testing?
backtesting it.
Wait, so if it goes above 30, then what? Was that bearish or I mean, is that bullish?
Are we talking about right now? 30?
Yeah, you said anything above 30 or 32.
532 are we talking about?
Yeah, yeah. Is
No,
that bullish or bearish?
okay, 1 second. Go back. Are we talking about 1 minute frame time?
Oh no, whatever you said earlier. I'm just trying to figure out what. I don't actually know too much about ICT. I've watched like a few of his videos, but I haven't really
So
done everything he said. So I'm just
again,
curious. I have no idea.
A possibility here is that there's still liquidity to be filled in this 15-minute bearish imbalance around like 32, or what is that? It's 44 down to 28.75. It could go up, test that, fill orders, come back down if there's
Yes.
liquidity there.
Exactly. No, I said the 532. That's these are all relative equal highs. So let's say we get some volume back in, you'll probably go take all the orders and then drop back down.
At
We have also a fair
32.
value gap at 539 and 544. That's a fair value gap on 1 minute. But on 1 minute fair value, I don't really trust it, but that's just the level that I'd say.
I mean, this looks like it wants to dump off a cliff. Does anyone else see that?
We don't have volume. We just don't
Yeah.
have volume right now. Right now, it's kind of doing what it's doing, consolidation, and then over.
You know, it should dump off a cliff. Is what I'm thinking.
It will once we get some volume. If you look at the daily chart on the buy and sell pressure volume that I give you, it's 400 against 230, more than 50%. Once it comes up to, if it does come up to that 300 or 350, you're going down.
Mhm. But after that volume gets calculated, then the move's already done. No.
Wait, sorry, what was it?
Like if we're gonna wait for this volume to like the 200.
Because the market is not going right now anywhere. It's just choppy.
Yeah.
Once
I
So-
mean,
it
that's the
goes
other
back
thing.
down-
That's the other constant in trading. The one thing you can truly see is volume and see how
Wait,
much
why-
business has been conducted.
Why does this volume go down and up for the sell volume?
Which one? Can you go back to trading view?
Yeah. Like, why is this going up and down? Shouldn't it just be steadily going up? I'm confused. It's a daily
That means that means that's the amount of sellers currently in the market right now.
right now. Okay. I see. Okay. I see how that makes sense then.
Trust me, this thing the indicator I give you is, again, I'm not saying to just make trade based. It's not to go trade based off it. No, it just gives you an idea of it. Who's in control? What's happening? How many sellers are live right now?
So there's a shitload of buyers right now.
It is because they're expecting. That's why what they're doing is they probably went They probably bought at 445, 444. So they're hoping to go back and take out that liquidity, which was at London high. That's why.
There's the dump. Shit, I got nervous. I sold half my cons, but that's okay.
Did you go short or did you go long?
I'm sure.
Good. Yeah, the Fibonacci tracement that I have off of thing, CT,
I'm
I was
short.
at that price.
I'm short as well.
I hope we just dump off a
And
fucking clip right now for 100
well,
points.
remember the price imbalance 475. We're getting to 130, but still. And it's always good, Kyle, when you're doing like a big trades. It's always to look. It's good to look at that daily volume pressure.
I'm
Right?
liking that. Yeah, but the buyer volume is still so high. So make me wonder if we just reverse long here.
No, it will not. So the only way when you do it, if it's 400,000 against maybe
245.
50,000, like 50,000, 10 to 15,000, then then the buyers are in control. But if it's more than 50% of the current what buyers are there, market is going to be choppy. Meaning it'll do like, let's say, 20 to 60, 70 moves up and down.
Hmm.
And during it, there will be like price balances where the price will trace it back in there to balance the price action there.
Kind of want to add my fucking shorts back that I sold too early.
Here, let's see
I think I might just pump. Oh my god.
what happened. Oh,
Big old pump.
let's see. Let me go back to the 15 minutes. What's going on? Okay, you should have gotten into the trade. There's only 1 minute left.
I just
Actually,
added some more shorts.
I don't jump into when there's like 1 or 2 minutes left to 15 minutes or 30 minutes because 100 people alone and the new candle could move a minute candle like at least 60, 70 ticks, man.
15 seconds. We're gonna keep our stop loss tight here.
Keep it tight.
Wait, tight.
I'd be fading you.
You be going long? Long?
Yep. But I mean, I would have been long from that 485 area.
Oh, from down here?
Yeah.
45, yeah.
Originally, when you actually
I
said
wanted
should
to
I
go long. Yeah, I wanted to go long
Yeah,
there. Yeah.
That's where I would have longed.
I like that for a long too.
Shorts are in control if you look at the 15 minutes candle and look at the buyers and sellers pressure.
$277 to 200.
Yeah, that's anything like even if it's like 1,000, that's shorts. Even if it's 1,100 to 1,000, shorts.
700 to 1,000. I don't know what you mean by that. Oh, you're saying that this is thousands? Oh, okay.
Buyers and sellers, yeah, 1,000 buyers and.
Oh, but look at the sellers fucking spiking up. Let's go. Is it dumping? Dump harder, motherfucker. Make some cash money today. I might sell a couple cons right here. At the 95. Just in case we do get a fucking monster pump back up. Honestly, it might just fucking blast through. Holy shit, let's go. We just got a red candle on Smart Money Concepts too. Or a red arrow.
How many candles do you have on
Do
your?
you guys use this? Oh, where the fuck did it go?
I don't know.
Oh.
You're the one who uses it.
What the fuck did I use? You guys
I
use
think
it?
it doesn't print until the end of the candle, so it has to close.
Oh, what happened back then? Okay. Yeah, it disappeared. Rip. I like those red arrows. Make me feel a little more confident in my trades.
A red arrow, yes.
Yes. Dude, I used some red. Dude, one time I think I had like 40K or something like that in SPX, and I was in puts, and then a fucking green arrow popped up, so I fucking switched long, and it fucking dumped off a cliff and fucking railed me.
And you had no stop loss either, huh?
No, I mean I got out, but I lost probably half my money. It was just a fucking huge fucking bullshit arrow.
I have ICT's Fibonacci
I'm going
retracement
long.
for shorts.
Yeah, I'm getting ready to close my shit right now.
Uh,
Honestly, I wish I would have went long off of the 500, but
I'll add one more just in case it rejects, but I'm getting ready to
this
close.
push down into 500. There's quite a bit of
shorts can come anytime, bro. There's no way they would want to go long after all that.
yeah, well, the shorts were there. The shorts came, and something is wanting to keep the market up. That's what you have to look at. So right there, when that candle, when that wicked down into that 490 area, there was a lot of sellers hitting market orders to short, but
I don't see any fair
it
value
didn't.
gap.
There was no continuation through that area.
I don't know. Let me see ES because I don't see any fair value gaps on the.
Oh,
15
I'm
minutes.
not. I mean, I'm not. It's not. I'm not playing off of a fair value gap. I'm
Oh.
playing off of order flow.
Wait.
The footprint chart, right?
Fair value gap. There's
Yep.
a 15 minutes fair value gap on ES, and we just tapped into it. So basically, sometimes SCT also teaches that sometimes you might not see a fair value gap like on ES, sorry, NQ, and then if you go to ES on the 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes, and 2 minutes, and 1 minute, you might be able to see one. So I see one on the ES on the 15 minutes. We just tapped into it.
Rejecting on ES or what? I need to pull up an ES chart. I don't know why the fuck I'm not looking at it.
Let's go to, let me see the 5 minutes if I see anything in the 5 minutes.
Sub ESC.
We still want to
H.
ESH.
Okay, so we rejected that. Ooh, ES is dumping.
I know.
Let's go.
So, did you stay in those shorts or no?
Yeah, I'm still in these shorts. Fuck yeah.
Okay.
I think we're gonna dump off a fucking cliff, dude.
You think, or that's what you wanted?
Yeah, exactly. That's exactly what I want. But that's also why I'm in this position, because I think we're gonna fucking dump off a cliff, dude.
We all want something good, but
Yeah, I'm ready to get out if it doesn't go according to plan though. I'm okay with a little bit of a loss. I'm up 1,500 per account right now. I could just close this and call it a day at the same time. Just blowing my live funded today. Can't believe it. Fucking bullshit.
You know what they say, go big or what?
Go fucking home. Let's go. Exactly what I did, but now I gotta go home
No, don't go home.
and restart.
Go bigger, man.
I'm fucking right. Okay, I like your style. So I fucking max cons right now or what? Okay.
I'm still long.
Are you?
Yeah.
You motherfucker fading me all the time.
I'm bullish.
I'm getting more bullish as this doesn't fucking dump off a cliff.
Manipulation, patience, and trust.
Max con? Good.
Oh, did you guys know you guys can see a book map on YouTube for free? Someone has it live every day. You guys don't need to pay
I
money.
got
Oh,
bookmap
really?
on Quan Tower.
Yeah, me too. I pay for that shit.
Yeah, people are paying 100. Like what? You can just see that on the thing. Okay, I see liquidity at 520. Like good amount 520. Where is it? 520. Yeah, these are those equal highs, relative equal highs that wants to be taken out.
Also, I mean, if this does break this like 500 to 475 area, it absolutely will probably dump off of a cliff. But it's holding
Hopefully,
up, so
Yeah.
Okay, just let's see. Did it just take out the liquidity at 512? Yes, it did. I think. Did it? Or it touched it?
I mean, these are still very low volume candles, so
Yeah, I wanted to add more honestly, but I don't want to go too crazy with these XFAs. But I think we're fucking Gucci here. I think you're fucking smoke bashy.
I hope so, because I am not risking as much as you.
We don't have
So-
100K. Just lose.
So if yeah, I hope I'm wrong for your sake.
I mean, I'll take a small loss. If it breaks above VWAP, I'm out. That's what a small loss is, by the way. That's what? A few $100? $600? $700?
Kai, you're trading from overseas?
Yeah, I'm in South Africa right now.
Fuck, man. Send some heat here, man. Canada's hot as fuck.
That's why I fucking left Chicago, dude. Fuck that winter. And Poland, dude. I went to Poland and my aunt was like, yeah, no, the winters here aren't that bad. And fucking we get a foot of snow, dude. I was like, what? Oh, you motherfuckers. I'll add one more for safekeeping. But we might be getting out here in a second.
Give it 1,000 limit. If it passes that 1,000, just get it.
I mean, I'm really curious to know what happens at VWAP specifically.
Oh, it's at VWAP. It like just touched VWAP.
Close, not.
Almost.
We're
Yeah.
not.
Super close.
It hasn't, like, again, today I don't think is a day where the algos are like, all right, buy off VWAP, sell off VWAP touches, right?
That's what I mean. Especially if there's news like coming out tomorrow.
Yeah.
And also today's news also helped, even though the numbers were green, they were good numbers, because the same numbers that I saw, and I went to see backtested to see what happened December 14 or 21. We had a bullish day, a crazy bullish day, but today it dumped off the market. I was like, bro, what kind of fucking manipulative market?
It's testing that FVG right now on ES too. And it's dumping. Let's go off a cliff, off a fucking cliff. What? Come on. Come on. The fucking fucking dump this shit.
It's still bullish, bearish right now. Again, coming back down on the daily chart, and pressure buyers and sellers volume is 50%, more than 50%. So I can see a dump.
Pull that up really quick. Oh, it's not on my ES chart. Let me add this on here.
I mean, don't be wrong. I would sell in the imbalance above. That's kind of where my target is if we start to move in that direction. I'm not gonna hold till highs. I'll take the low hanging fruit.
There's a dump or coming, either up or down. Because right now the market's so choppy. It's coming.
It's just sideways. It's just been sideways right now.
It's coming. It's either gonna take all those relative equal highs by 530, yeah, 530, or pull it down.
I'm not gonna stick around till 5:30 to find out. Fuck that.
The level that you enter short, that's a good level to stay in there.
Yeah, we'll see.
547.
I want to add one more here, but
No, 7 is a good lucky number. It's Ronaldo's number.
I just added one more. Fuck it. If it breaks above VWAP, I'm out.
Where is your VWAP? Oh, that white.
It's right on it. Yeah.
What if it manipulates it?
No. It's gonna take a little loss.
Take off 4, and just let the 4 run.
I want to see if this tested. Otherwise, I'm just out.
What are those blue boxes underneath? It looks like a Minecraft.
It's like Delta and stuff like that. And we're about to get out for a loss. Very close.
Let's go back to 15 minutes. Yeah, so buyers are in control. It's gonna go up.
Let me find out right here.
Wait a minute. Buyers in control. It wants to take out those relative equal highs. So, who was long? Someone was Bashy. You're still long?
I bet she's fucking fading me hard as fuck.
2 contracts.
Yeah,
I'm looking to sell my first contract at
Okay.
29.25, pretty much the start of that 15-minute fair value gap.
Holy shit,
What
bro.
is that?
Parent, Jesus Christ, bro. It's okay. He muted himself. He's on.
Fucking have a having a fucking earthquake over there or some shit.
Again, this is pretty slow moving. Still not
Yeah.
a lot of volume. There's not a lot of volume in this move, to be honest. So
Alright,
I'm
he just-
not super confident that this is going to continue just because of the lack of volume.
I think so too. I think it's fucking slow creep up, because fucking upward chop is bearish.
That's why I see always now. I just see this because it gives you confirmation not to fucking trade lunch hour before 1:30.
The only reason I'm trading right now is because they took the money out of the XFAs. I wanted to get some trading in today. They took that money fast, dude. I took the payout this morning and they fucking took the money out by fucking lunch. Yeah, that was quick.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh well, you haven't gotten it in your account yet, right?
No, it'll probably be in like 5 days. The last one was 4 days. I just got the 13K yesterday.
What you need, man. How many contracts were
I
you
need more.
trading on that 100K account that you just lost?
The 150K, it was 15 cons pretty much all the time.
They said it. They said there was like very few days that you didn't get to 15 cons.
Yeah, pretty much all the time.
But
15
You know
fucking
what,
cons.
Kyle? How many days did I tell you take? Like when we were in Asian, sitting there, you were up and you just didn't take profit.
I
Ever.
know. I couldn't do it. It's so fucking bad.
You know what they also said?
What?
It's probably like 3 people. You one of them that obviously received the highest payout stuff.
Yeah.
And think about it. Topstep has been around since 2009, 2010.
Yeah, and I broke the record for most profit in one day too until fucking Danny Trades came around. That motherfucker.
I told you, I was like, bro, that guy is a bigger gambler. He's like, nope, he doesn't care because he has so much now. Bro, that guy bought, like, so
Yo,
many
we
cars.
pumping. We
Yeah.
pumping.
No, it's just the new candle started. I told you, new candle always like that.
I should sound more excited for the we pumping.
Kai's like, "Please, don't look."
Well, I'm trying to see if this is a fucking fake out on the next 5 minute and we engulf. That's what I'm looking for, but it's not looking too fucking hot.
I'm looking to see if it's going to test this imbalance. That's really.
Which imbalance are we talking about?
We were supposed to get out a hot minute ago.
There's a 15-minute imbalance starting at 16,528.
15 minutes imbalance.
It's a bearish imbalance.
Yes. Yeah. Well, we call it bullish or bearish. It's price imbalance. There's no
Yeah.
bearish or bullish. Yeah, the price
But
always
that's-
comes back to 100%.
there's-
You're right. I just saw it. My bad.
That's the low-hanging fruit that price might want to go back to. And this is ICT, but price might
Always
want to
does.
go back
It always
to.
does. It always
to
does. I
retest.
agree with you. It always does. Not just retest, but to balance the price action. So,
Yep.
and usually I look more at it like at the 2 minutes or 5 minutes max, but 15 minutes, look at there. There you go. You pointed at Kyle, that's a price imbalance. So that's why we worked on that.
I fucking got out. Fuck this shit.
Oh, you'll see some good setups probably soon.
Yeah. Yeah, I was a little overextended there anyway. I went up to 10 cons.
Oh shit. Okay. Somebody started up from. We started up what? 5, 4? I think that's it.
6. Oh my god, it's gonna dump. Fuck me. This is what I was waiting for. I fucking watched this fucking
No,
5 minute engulf,
no,
dude. Watch
no,
this
yo,
5 minute
wait,
fucking
wait.
engulf, dude.
Yo, no, it's not. I'm still confident that it's going to touch the imbalance.
Wait, 32?
Same, of course.
Yeah, starts at 2850.
Well, no, it only touched it. See, the candle came back all the way up to it. It doesn't. Sometimes it passes it. Sometimes it doesn't.
It's gonna fucking bearish engulf. Unreal. I got out, dude. At a fucking terrible time.
Yeah, it looks like charts might be coming in anytime soon. But let's see. Volume.
I'm still looking for a short play.
I'm still in this long.
I'm down to short 27.
5 to
I will. Okay, so you have a 5-minute inside of a 15-minute. So the 5-minute starts at 32.
32?
I'm no longer looking at a 1-minute chart. Fuck a 1 minute.
Right, 32. That's like the middle of a.
We might go up to that 529 because I'm sure some people are gonna have their stop losses there too, some liquidity there. 528, the max it could go higher, and then we go back down.
Yeah, I'm gonna probably short this at 27.
There's a little
27,
bit of
28.
liquidity sitting at 28
28, yeah.
flat.
People are probably taking off.
Not a lot. Again,
30
these are
has a
pretty
shitload.
Small. These are pretty small moves, but that's the algo. See it move with it.
I want to re-enter my shorts here again.
Patience.
Patience, yes.
I lacked patience all fucking last month, and I lost my 2 XFAs. So
It's struggling so hard to break above this level, though. This is like a very small double top.
I mean, I blew up 60 accounts for a fucking reason, man.
I blown up my fucking fair share of accounts as well.
I lost,
Ah.
one XFA today.
Ah,
It is what it is.
yeah,
Yep.
You lost?
it is what it is.
I thought you were up like.
No, that was an eval you saw. I'm talking about XFA. I blew one today.
Oh my god.
And I'm close
Was
to
this
blowing
before?
another one.
Oh my god. Was this before you started trading? When I was up or after?
After.
Ah, someone got greedy. I remember. This guy made 5K on his eval, and he's like, all right, now let me go to my XFA. And
Classic.
blew that one up.
Classic. Been there, done that.
all right, I'm gonna run break even stop
What are you in at for your longs?
508.
508?
Oh,
Nice.
what did you catch? Like 30, 35?
Dude, this is gonna dump. This is gonna fucking dump, isn't it? But
Why are you
look,
convinced
dude,
that it's gonna dump?
dude, look at all these
Tell me.
dojis,
Tell
dude.
me.
Look at all these
There's
dojis. They
two of you,
cannot
man.
push up.
There's two of you. One wants it to go up, one wants it to go down. We have to.
Yeah.
Is that-
But what's the likelihood of it going up further is
we
like
have a close back above VWAP again. So again, I think of VWAP is if price is above VWAP, the average person or the average price, the average entry is making money. If price is below, that means the average person is losing.
well, the shorts are making money. Oh, but yeah, okay, no, that makes sense too.
Right? If you just think of it in that one mindset, right?
Mm-hmm.
Again, because it is volume weighted average.
Watch. We're gonna take out that 528, 537. Yeah,
Yeah, I'm gonna fucking short that, dude.
You can't wait for it, huh, Kyle?
I could wait. I could wait. I'm chilling. I just don't know if it's gonna get up there. It really seems like it wants to dump off a cliff, and the more it's sticking around here, makes me think that it's gonna happen. Ah, but it's breaking out. All right, we're fucking short at 27 or 29-ish. Nice. Okay, there's the pump.
Not yet. Yeah, you know why? There's a pump because on it was yesterday around this time market
It's hitting the highs.
pumped up.
Equal highs. Is it gonna pump more?
Wait,
I'm out on one.
I don't think it'll pump. No, wait, it didn't take out that liquidity though. 15 minutes, buyers in control. It's also the 15 minutes price imbalance. Yeah. I'm gonna get in five. I mean, yeah, some shorts here.
I'm down.
I'm in.
2 4 cons for now. I'm gonna go up to 6 though.
I'll put my stop loss either at, well, I know you don't have one, at 539 or
I'm going up 6 cons. Fucking send it. Dump off a fucking clip right now. I said right now.
what?
Oh,
Oh, don't worry. Sellers are still in control in the 15 minutes.
oh.
I told you, sellers are still in control.
There you go. There you go.
You're in it to win it, team.
Dump through VWAP right
You
now.
guys have stop loss.
No fucking stop losses, dude.
Stop loss is important, guys.
Fucking stop loss, dude.
Mental stop loss. Mental.
Fucking right.
I am not stopped out on my second or on my runner yet. So
Not stacking. You guys need
I'm
to-
still one long, but that's a pretty fucking long wick.
I like it, dude.
But you know what, Kyle? Wicks love to get ran.
Yeah.
Nah, we coming back down.
To the fucking
I
ground.
did buy a bunch of notebooks. I'm now journaling by hand again instead of digital.
Yeah, that's. the
I think
scary
that's
thing.
better.
You can never remember anything. You can never remember.
Yeah. Yeah, when you
Now,
write.
it goes into your head.
Yeah.
Have like.
Well, you know how I was telling you about that Evernote?
Mm.
I was using that Evernote, and it's like a Notion.
Oh.
And I just found myself I would never go back and look at it.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm kind of doing the same thing with TradeZilla right now. I haven't looked
With
at it
like
in probably a week.
physical notebook that I have. It's like on my desk. It's in front of me. It's like, you know, it's like, all right, come on, look at it. Look at me.
Yeah.
No, I put it right. I have some sticky notes for the concepts that I have 3 of them that I always look for, which is daily bias, fair value, and pricing balance. These 3, and I always look at it. If I don't see any setup in those, I just don't trade. That's it.
So the 5-minute candle did not close below. VWAP did not close before the previous bullish candle. I have no reason to get out of my long.
I hope it gets done, bro. So that way you stop talking about this long.
Yo, you can't be mad that I was right though.
No, I'm not saying you keep saying long for the past. Like, when are you gonna get out of your long, man? Holy shit! This guy is going against us, man.
For real. Fading me all the time.
Kyle's been looking for short dumb. This guy's
Kyle's made
long.
significantly
day.
more money than me in trading, aka I've made nothing. So
He thought
comes the
he also
shorts.
lost
Here comes-
more than.
Here comes the shorts.
Let's dump it off a fucking cliff right now.
Is anybody also in trade besides the 3 of us and Mastermind? Are you in a trade?
Yes.
I'm in the short.
Yeah, he's about to lose. Oh, I'm in blue.
wow, it's 1v3 right now. What is this? Time to clutch. Come on, market.
Out of you guys. Dump.
It's a short
Check out
right
his
now.
long. Oh,
There
you're
we
short.
go. I'm out. I'm flat.
Yeah. Check out his long.
Oh, no,
Finally.
baby.
It's all right. I took 100 ticks worth of profit.
100 ticks? What?
Yep.
508, that's 100 ticks? No. That's like 70 ticks.
This guy is lying.
2
man.
contracts.
Okay. Okay.
I'm 48 ticks right now.
I'm at 20.
Dude, when did you
508 to the top was 85 ticks, but again, there still really wasn't a reason to get out of my long. I just was locking in profit.
This guy saw another long candle. Like, oh, I shouldn't. Man. Come on.
I'm not getting back in. I'm not getting back in. I'm okay.
Listen, you can go short with us. How about that?
Yeah.
I'm okay.
Ride the wind, get in the boat.
If I go
Yeah,
short, I'll
join the
be giving
team,
away
dude.
profit, dude. If I go short, I'll be giving away
Or
profit.
or you're gonna make a shitload of profit. What did you just say a few minutes ago? What did you just say a few minutes ago? You've never taken a payout. We have.
It's true. It's true.
Join the squad, dude. Commit. We either fucking make money together or we lose together.
One contract, I'm risking 50 ticks.
This is not financial advice.
This is peer pressure, not financial advice.
Exactly.
Not licensed or anything by any means. We will not be accepting any legal laws, any legal actions against us.
So,
Even bid. Did he just say long here? Bro,
This motherfucker better not be going long right now.
this guy just went long against us. He's like, yeah.
He just said I took a
I
log.
mean, they're taking it off VWAP, which to me does make sense.
Taking longs off
This is
VWAP? Does kind of make sense, but I think we're gonna dump off a fucking cliff.
Well, I hope so, because now I was peer pressured into a short.
Oh, you're in?
Finally, we got him in, guys. We lose.
LMG!
We
Oh
lose.
boy.
I mean, the break above 27 is stop loss for me.
Yeah, I'm not risking more than 50 ticks on this.
Yeah,
27. That's a small ass.
yeah, keeping it
Put it
tight.
Oh, I put it above 31.
Above 31. I don't know if my account will make it. I think I'll DLL if it
I
goes
mean,
up there.
There is a Delta is
Hey, no,
still
just-
bullish. So
I won't DLL if it goes up there. I'll add more if we go up there. Fuck it.
you're gonna add?
Yeah, I'm gonna fucking add, dude. I want to go up to 8.
I might reverse.
No fucking reverse thing, dude. We die together.
We were praying for your fall down.
Yeah, seriously.
How are you gonna go against us?
Brutal.
That's my view. Is I still think there's more upside to downside right now.
Fucking hope as shit you're not right,
Remember,
dude.
the holy grail in trading is want what the market wants.
Market wants to fucking dump off a cliff, dude. Yeah. We know what the market wants. It doesn't know what it wants.
Even bread. I don't think 542 is a good idea for anybody to go short 542.
542.
Yeah, he said he's gonna go short at 542. You're talking about?
Why though? Yeah, man, it might work. There's a level right there.
All right, then new 15 minutes candle just.
I said I'll entertain a short below 502. I'm not going to get short there, but
Mhm.
until then, I'm long.
I think that's smart. That's
Yeah,
smart.
that's good. That's good.
What I'm doing is stupid.
Thank you, my baby.
My long was smart. My long, I had a whole reason to take that long. Now I have no reason to take a short.
This is how we
Team
want-
trading, my boy. I'm still convinced we're dumping off a cliff at some point.
I'm short for the boys.
Let's go.
Yes, sir. If you long, you're gay. I said what?
Facts. Facts. Fucking facts.
I'm not taking it back either.
We were fucking deep in this FBG on ES. Yeah, okay, let's fucking dump right now.
Wait, no. Sellers are still in control on that 15 minutes.
Gotta dump through VWAP. I hate hanging above VWAP for sure. It's like this floating. It's like what it did this morning, dude. It floated above VWAP, just hung around, and then it pumped.
Again, whoever gets out quick, you're gay, and whoever goes long, you're gay.
Damn, might be gay.
As I was thinking about getting out too.
I'm about ready to reverse, man. What happens if I reverse? What does that make it?
I don't.
You're gay.
Yeah, that's extra gay because the long just is extra dangerous. This short play has some juice in it. The long I feel like is dangerous as fuck, dude.
Okay, so why is the long dangerous when we've made a higher low already on the day?
Because this is fucking FBG Central right here, dude. Like, if we break above, no, that's ES. But if we break above like over here, then I would say fucking 10 more points, and then it'll fucking dump. It's a bear market,
On the 532,
so any longs are just fucking sketchy to me. The massive
I had a
fucking
very-
dumps we've had.
Yo, luck stacking saying I had a very good reason to take the short. Peer pressure.
Fucking right, dude. Fucking right.
peer pressure.
Peer pressure is the best pressure.
No, I call it nut stacking, not luck stacking. I was like, I keep saying nut stacking, so I call it nut. I'm like, well, either change your name or I'm gonna call it nut stacking. It has some weird ass name.
Yes, is testing the
looking
top of that
bullish.
FPG.
This is looking so fucking bullish still.
Not yet, dude. If ES breaks above that FPG, then yeah, it's bullish.
Man. All right, let's see.
It's just retesting the top of the FPG right now. So I would fucking add more
hasn't even
shorts here.
touched VWAP. ES needs to test VWAP.
I don't think it will. Hopefully it doesn't.
ES needs to dump down to like 0 right now.
We might even get some good volume at 2 o'clock still.
Oh, 10 minutes, yeah. I hate trading
do
power
like
hour
top
though.
of the hour. I like
don't-
top of the hour trades.
I like top of the hour, but not power fucking hour, dude.
Just like that
Nice.
that reversal you caught the other day. I was so proud of you.
You like that? Look at that, almost just held those longs. Fucking now, too bullet. Watch it come right back down on me.
Kyle, you said you lost 100K. Was that like a live account or a XFA?
The live account that I lost today? Is that what you're asking about?
Yeah.
Or are you talking about when I was trading options?
I don't know, because did you lose like a full 100K amount or?
Yeah, in 2 months I lost like 100K. Not a full 100K. I took some payouts.
No,
I think
because you took payouts.
yeah, I think I took 28K in payouts from that, plus the 32K.
Because you said 100, you lost 100K account. I just want to know how much you lost. Was you lost today?
It's probably
He lost
70,
nothing.
70K.
In the beginning, what'd you lose? $150?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I guess you look at it like
150
that.
times 3. 150 times 3.
No, I only had 2 XFAs with that one.
Trading like 100 contracts of minis or some shit, like you lose 100K account like that.
No, that was over 2 months. The time that I lost 100K in one day was with XPX options. Dude, that was my money. I fucking burned it. But then the next day, I think I made 105K, so I got it all back. And then yeah, just kind of bounced back and forth like that.
Do you have any kids? Do you have a family?
Nah. I have a little
He's
Thai
fucking
baby,
sick
but
right
that's
here.
it. Fucking right, dude. That's fucking right, boys.
Yeah, come back to live in the US or Canada and experience this inflation, and I'll see how you can survive it.
I'll survive it just fine. But fucking, I don't really like the US right now. It's just kind of
Are we
like,
getting that dump? Are we getting that dump? Wait.
fucking better be right now. Yes, is dumping pretty hard. That's the biggest 1 minute candle we've had. Huh? Here we go.
we're getting
Let's
that.
go.
There we go. There you
Oh, Bashy, what about your fuck your longs, dude? Fuck your.
There it go. There it go. Vic starting to pump. Vic
Let's go. Vix, pump to the fucking
What's
moon.
the dollar doing? What's happening on the dollar?
Watch this shit just pump right back up and just
Listen,
fucking
listen,
stick it in.
going down. Wait. Where's the long people, huh? You gave
I'll
us
add
one.
10 more fucking contracts right now. I'm good.
I'm reversing right now. I'm taking my profit reversing.
No, you're not, dude. It's so good. Right before the fucking biggest move of the day.
There's liquidity down at 85.
Fuck
I'd like-
85.
Oh,
I'd
you
like
should
to
have added
see-
that. Look at those dice. Oh my god, you should have added.
I'd like to see
added 10
485
contracts, 10
taken.
contracts. I'm up. Okay, I guess that's not bad.
I'll add right here. The test for VWAP. I'll add 2 more.
There you go.
I should just pump it right back up.
Uh-oh.
Should I go to 10?
Not yet.
Oh my god, 10?
Go for
Oh
it.
my god. I hope you make a boatload, dude.
If you're
I want to go to 10.
How much do you have till drawdown? Your DLL?
1,000 or 2,000?
Bruh, 10 is.
Yeah, 10 will
The
just
problem is
poof.
we might get. We
It'll
might
just
get
poof.
it might be a little volatile here at the top of the hour.
Yeah.
So
Wait, come on. Believe in the trade.
VIX is.
I
VIX
believe.
is shitting right now. Just
I
heads up.
believe.
Somebody said VIX was pumping. It's not. It's shitting.
Shitting?
Yeah, VIX.
It's not pumping.
Somebody
dumb.
said it was pumping. It was not pumping.
Hmm.
That guy was gay too. Whoever said that.
Fucking gay.
Where's management has left the chat?
I watch the Dixie. That's about it. So I'll watch ES Dixie. I don't really pay attention to the VIX.
Surface, there is no risk management.
I used to fucking love the VIX for options, dude.
Yes.
So we did. I mean, we're seeing sort of a delta flip right now. Down in negative delta now.
Delta fucking flip off a cliff right now.
I mean, I'm up 2600. I don't know if I should just get up.
I like that, dude. Go for glory.
Do not listen to Kyle. Listen to Kyle? All right. Usually he gives you good advice.
Oh,
That
shit.
was bad advice.
This seems like a sick short, dude. Like I think we're going at least back to 85, dude.
At least, yeah,
If-
at least that 93 for sure. 92, 93 for sure. That liquidity, they'll grab it. Let me see.
Yeah. I'll sell half my cons down there too.
Kyle's the do as I say, not as I do. That's
Yeah. Uh-oh.
that's the way.
There you go,
Yeah,
there
I
you
do
go.
a lot of dumb shit.
No, wait. There's liquidity, a lot of liquidity at 500 on book
But you
now.
got to take risks though in order to make some big money. There you go.
Fucking right, my boy.
Where are the long people? Alright, now let's look at since who was
What'd you say, baby? Yes.
90. There's
Please,
quite
my
a bit.
baby.
There's resting liquidity at 95.
Not as much. 500 is more if you look at the book map. But wait,
Yeah,
Becky,
but-
you said you didn't want to go along, right?
When
So
you're-
whatever profit
okay,
you
so-
made, can you send me
So
that
look
link?
at your book map, right? Let me teach you something about book map. So
I
if
know,
you
I saw
see at there's an equal distance of quote unquote liquidity on each side. You zoom out, that's the algo. Those are algos.
No, I'm looking at
That's
the,
not-
the actual. It's right now. It's 497. Like it's burgundy red, not those small ones.
But
no,
it's
a whole-
moving, right? It's
It's printing.
moving.
It's printing.
The resting liquidity is at 95.
That short is
Yeah,
nice, huh?
that's- Yeah, I said
Yeah,
that.
that's a nice short.
I'm up like 4,000. I'm out, guys. 4,000 is more than enough. I'm out.
I'm scaling out a little bit. I'm gonna
I'm
hold these
looking
fours
for-
though.
I'm looking
This
for
this could be a
95.
fucking huge dump. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. No, I'm looking for 80, 85 with these 4 cons.
Wait, Bashy was the one who said he wanted to go long. So can you send us the profits? You didn't want these profits, please?
Motherfucker wanted to reverse this whole time.
Yeah, but
no, he was like, I'm
my,
going long. Go long, go
my
see."
stop would have been just below VWAP if I went long. So it would have been almost a scratch trade.
No, sellers are still in control, man. It's
Ooh, you want to say they're in control? Whoa.
This is bullshit, dude. It's dumping soon.
wait,
No, I'm
What'd you say?
still. I'm waiting for 95.
trust me, it's coming back down. I just manipulation, man.
I'm waiting for
Noodles. We have more noodles? Do you have more of those noodles? Do we have more? Yeah. Deal.
Yeah, we've been short. We made a London high, Andy, and then we started shorting.
So short more on this VWAP? Oh my god. Where's this pump? For real. I'm gonna add 2 more, fuck it. I think this is a fucking bullshit pump, dude.
Oh, I'm like, where is this all?
We're gonna fucking dump.
Yeah, it's always good thing you added more.
Yeah, fuck these guys, dude. Fuck Bashy's longs, man.
Yo, I got paid on those longs. So.
No, you had the right idea before. Yeah, you did. Except when we were up here. Except when we were at like the 20s, 520-ish, and you're like, I'm gonna fucking reverse.
No, he went long after like, he told us like 20 minutes later, oh, I'm long. While we were
Yeah.
talking about being short.
Yeah, I know.
No,
Fucking man.
I went long. Remember,
but
I
you
said that if I would have went long, I said I would go long when Kyle was like, "Should we short this down at 85?"
Yeah, but
That
you didn't
was-
say what
No, I said to go long there too.
I went and got
y'all
I got long because I wanted to put my money where my mouth was at 508.
Listen, now you're
You mean where our shorts are fucking banging right now?
Yo, I already took profit, man.
I
I'm
know.
double profit because I'm
No,
short too.
You did a good trade. You did a really good trade. This short, I think, is fucking about to smoke this market, dude. Fucking dump it.
There you go. Come in 1 second again. Oh, this is the last minute of 15 minutes. So
Yeah, I
know,
we're
this
is
getting
kind
ready
of,
to take some profit, by the way.
Roll
The
this
next-
shit.
The next candle.
I think I'll sell 2 more here. Fuck it.
Yeah.
Proper risk management for the win. Oh shit, we're in profit, dude. We fucking
Hell
we got
yeah.
back our $1,300 loss.
Oh, there you go. Perfect.
I'll stop loss at break even too, just to make sure we secure the bag.
Wait, 8 seconds. Wait, guys. Wait. The next.
I am convinced we're dumping off a cliff, dude.
If this candle closes, yes, it closes underneath the previous candle. We're going short. We're gonna go back for that 501 and
15 cons?
493.
Did you
Hopefully
just
that's
say
correct.
max? Yo, if Shams was in here, he'd be like, max short.
Fucking max it.
No
I
buyers.
am in.
No buyers. No buyers.
Even did. You said you're going long, right? What happened?
Oh, hey, we're tapping that FVG on ES, huh?
945, bro.
At 35? No.
Yo, Sham, call it.
35?
What? I'm
Say
here.
call
bitch.
it.
Is
Call
that
it.
Shams? Let's go,
Me and
Dave.
Bashy were saying long at 483. It went up to 530. I mean, that's 50 points, man.
483?
No, we
You
had
guys
the,
hit
we had
longs?
the right
Jeez.
call out for the time.
We weren't even there, but what are you talking about?
That's fucking nuts.
We were
The fucking
talking
way
about
earlier.
lunch, man. Kyle was sitting there saying, should I knife catch this? And both
Oh,
me and
God.
Bashy said, if anything long here,
Oh,
but it's
you go
lunch.
here. That's you go. Yes, I agree with you. Yeah. You
Yeah.
said that.
Yeah, that's 50 points from when we said that.
And
Like,
you know, you go. You know what he did? You know what Bashi did? Bashi took a trade at 502. Didn't tell us until 20 minutes later. And was like, "Oh, I'm up. Okay, we see what price we asked him. What did you get on 502? While we are like 525." Okay.
well, fuck, man. I can't speak to that.
What? No, I got in at 508 for the upside move to 528.
What a big
So
difference.
I made
You're
20
still
points.
up
I got 20 points out of it. 2 contracts.
Well, I'm out. I got four. I think I made 4,000 more on this one. I'm out.
4,000? Fucking nice, dude. How the fuck did you make 4,000? How many fucking cons did you go?
I told you when he came, I added 5 when I was up at 800. I said I'm adding 5 more, and then we
5 micros or 5
5 minis. I sold at 501.
Oh my boy, nice.
I call it, say, guys, I'm out. Like Danny, guys, I'm out. I'm done for
I'm
the
up.
day."
I'm up. See, the thing that I like how Danny can just walk away when he's in profit. I fucking have a hard time, dude. I'll be up 15K, 20K. I'll be like, fuck that. I'm gonna sit here and fucking keep trading.
Shut up.
Fuck you, Shambles.
you up? You up on the day?
Yeah, I'm just chilling. Just smoking weed, listening to y'all babble.
Listen to us fucking make money.
I wanted to go long. What happened to that? Bashy, you still want to go long?
Nah, dude, I added a short at the VWAP test.
Oh, did you right now?
Yeah.
Nice. I was thinking about adding some more too, but fuck that.
Bro, I'll go max short.
Let's go,
see,
Shambles.
there he is. Let's do it, Max Short.
Short.
Don't make me add
don't
11 cons right now.
No, I don't even care. I did it.
No.
Cam, every time you do that, it's the literal bottom though.
Yeah.
know.
Oh
I know, I
shit.
feel like I should sell right now.
Oh long. Max long. Max long.
Go long, everybody.
I need to do flat.
That's 501 for the.
No, I'm gonna put my
501,
buys
yes.
at.
Okay, there you go.
I'm putting my buys at 75.
75. Oh,
I'm thinking about putting my buys at 43.
I'm waiting for 95.
443.
Cliff,
wait for the 92, 92, 95.
I'm waiting for 95.
I don't wait for shit.
I'm waiting for 95.
I want to hold this shit for the bottom of the day, to be honest.
Nah, I'm holding the 75. I don't give a fuck.
74, 75? I have a price. I have a level there too for someone someday.
475. That's from a.
When did I fucking add that level, dude? I'm so confused.
Where did you get that from?
I don't know.
The low of yesterday, probably.
The
That's why.
90s.
Uh,
Yeah, best day trader on YouTube. Let's go. I'm printing 20,000. I forgot to tell you I'm short. Let's go.
Yo, that was me earlier, apparently.
Sorry, Dad. I meant to tell you every move that I make. But the good news is, I'm gonna be trading live, so then you could see everything in real time, just in case I forget to say it.
If this don't hit 75,
Well, dude, it's fucking FVG right now on ES. If it breaks through, dude, I think we're dumping.
Let's see that 492. Break that. If we break
let's
the 492.
go.
We're coming. 492. Damn, I should have felt, man. Fuck 4,000, man. I would have been up.
490s. Best day trader on YouTube. Let's go. Can we get
Hell,
the 480?
I think I'm
That
gonna
monkey
sell
video,
one
I was
here.
dying. I was fucking dying at that monkey video.
Sorry.
God damn, good old bong rips.
I think I get out, man. This shit's going back the other way now.
It looks like it, but I think it's gonna dick around and fucking dump. We already started the dump. I don't think this is it. This is that day where fucking Shams was like, Max Con short. So I fucking Max Con short on all my fucking accounts. And I got out on something like this. And then it dropped another 400 fucking points.
Pat, on the 2 minutes on the NQ, there's a price.
Let's go, guys. I'm up.
We'll do it. 'cause
Drop a like if you tailed.
Wait, what do you what'd you say? You don't think it's gonna do it? Hold on, Shambles. What'd you say, ICT?
The price imbalance on the bear shares one. So price came back to on the 2 minutes chart. If you look at it, at 496.
2 minute chart.
2 minutes. Yeah, go 2 minutes. You'll see a red candle. At
I'm trying to hit that 1 minute FEG.
1254.
That's what I'm looking at on ES.
Go to trading view. You'll see it.
Okay.
And that'll be our pennant fake out, and then we'll moon. Yeah.
I
I gotta go in like 5 minutes though. Take my
Are-
dog to the vet, so I'm gonna just leave this with no stops.
Oh my lordy, help this fucking pro trader, dude.
I'm up,
There you
boys.
go. We took
Let's
out that
go.
liquidity.
I love you.
The next price imbalance is at.
It's tapping this FEV. Dude, I think we're dumping. I think we're dumping still. Like this, I don't think this is the whole move.
493.
it's coming down to catch the bottom.
That's what I'm fucking banking on, dude. Or at least 75. I'll sell half at 75.
I'm gonna
The thing
say
is, it's a day before NFP.
fuck NFP.
But before news days, it usually just ranges, huh? Yeah.
I think I would favor ranges over a big move.
Damn, there goes half my profits. Best day trader on YouTube.
You should get out fast.
I do kind of favor the ranges. You're right. I'm just gonna
makes
get
more
out.
sense.
Fuck it. It does make more sense. Yeah, I forgot NFP is tomorrow. Oh my
Please,
fuck.
$5.
There goes all my profits. I'm a
Or Max Long. Or fucking Max. Oh shit, we're up 2K and we're up 6K today. Fuck yeah. Okay, I'm cool with that, dude. I'll take that. I'm done for the day. Fuck this. I'm out, guys. I'm out.
Bashy, are you
I'm out. All right, Danny.
No, I that's one dude, that's one thing I really like about Danny though. He just fucking gets the fuck out, dude.
No,
Dude, but okay, so everyone likes to talk shit about Danny, but dude, like if it makes money, it makes sense. Like I think he's good. I think he's solid.
I paid for his stuff and I watched him and I was learning. This guy was teaching fucking supply and demand zone, bro. And that shit never worked out. Every time he would trade based off of that shit, we would lose literally every day.
Ooh.
He's good. No, he's
I'm
good.
still in my scores because
He's
I'm the
good. He's
best
good.
day
He actually raked in, I think, what, 47K
I was live on that day with him. I
on
was there.
Tuesday. Yesterday he lost like 7,500. Today he lost 13. So he lost like 20 past 2 days, but he's still up. Damn
At
it. 30.
47K, and
Yeah,
by
hell
the way,
yeah.
I'll tell you, this guy was scaling in so much. And
Yeah, but
he
the
started
thing is,
tweaking
like
the price.
he
When
has the
saw that he
ability to
can-
throw large size. You
Yeah,
throw
yeah,
Yeah, 'cause
large
he's
size.
making like
he's not
100K a month off of his subscriptions, man, like memberships. Honestly, he doesn't give a shit.
But all you have to do is have a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio in coin flip, and you'll win.
It wasn't
you
even
don't
that
give
the
a
worst
fuck.
thing. The worst thing is
That's
that
true.
he would say,
The-
"Oh guys, all right, I'm going in," and then he's in. Oh guys, I'm up 10,000. I'm up 10,000, bro. We are trying to find out the crosshair button and to put our trade in. This guy's up at 10,000. He's like, "Oh guys, I'm putting 10 more, 5 more, 5,000. All right, I'm done. I'm done for the day." Like, bro, we didn't even enter the trade yet.
Well, the thing is, like he has good risk management, and he chases moves.
Like, yeah,
That's all.
he chased prices. That's what I said. He's
It makes sense. He does.
True though.
If it makes money, it makes
And it works.
sense. And
Here we go, boys.
for fucking reals, I believe that if you don't give a shit about the market, or like you don't give a shit about money, none of that, then you always make more money. I believe that. I believe that that is the right mindset to have, and so does Mark Douglas. Actually, that's where I heard that.
I'm making money.
No, but absolutely. But he's
Damn,
in a
look at that, look at
position
those
where he
stores.
makes.
Holy fuck!
Off the cliff.
A FOMO 15 comps right now.
I never sold.
I mean,
I never flattened.
Remember, boys, I'm the best.
Oh, did it just fill you long, Bashy, or what?
I'm still in.
I'm
I'm
still
waiting
in.
for the 80s, man. I want the 80s now.
I'm
told
still in
y'all.
the short. I'm about to get
The
out.
best
though.
on
I'm
YouTube.
still-
I'm gonna let. I'm
Get out,
about
get
to
out,
take it.
Get out, guys. Where is it?
Nah, 80s, 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 80s.
This
Come
is what I
on,
wanted.
I'm telling you. Get out.
Actually, is so greedy now. This guy wasn't even going short with us. Now that he's short, he's
Yeah,
taking
I
out
was
80, 80.
fucking short originally.
He wasn't even gonna go with us. Like, no,
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 I'm out.
no,
I'm out.
him.
Oh
I'm
man, that's
I'm
true. I
still
wasn't
in,
even.
boys.
done.
I'm still
I'm
in,
done.
boys.
I wasn't even gonna get it.
We're gonna
Y'all
take
even
the
get
liquidity.
it
Yes,
in.
we did.
Bye.
Wait, who
I'll
was
take
it
the
that was
profits
doubting my
y'all left
call out?
behind.
Because I
Bye.
told
Oh,
him
I'm going fucking one con long for this fucking liquidity sweep.
I told you it was gonna hit the bottom, the day's bottom. Look,
75,
that's what it's
baby.
gonna do.
That's not the day's bottom, is it?
doubting
Day's
us.
bottom
It
is
was
443, you know?
Base
Be
bottom is
careful, bro. Be
449.
careful. Be careful.
Y'all are
I'm still in,
goofy.
but he's gonna make
75
more than
or I'm
anyone.
gay.
Thing,
Careful trying to long
I
this.
told y'all.
not stacking. Don't stick into
All right,
it.
we left a runner. We got a runner. That's it.
I'm
still
holding my
back.
one fucking con long, dude.
This is where my greed bites my ass.
Wait, why'd you say 75? Yeah, this is like the level to get out if you're gonna get out.
Nah.
Yeah, we still got
75, my
liquidity.
man.
Oh, there's a price imbalance again on the.
Nope.
Well, this is a huge liquidity sweep right here.
Nope. Nope.
472. Look,
Fuck the
You know, let's
liquidity
see the-
sweep.
472. Yeah.
75 or I'm gay. 75 or I'm gay.
Oh, you go long,
the
you're
minimum.
fucking. I'm not gonna say you're gay because this guy's long already.
Nope.
Fucking right, dude. This long's gonna fucking pay, dude. We're not hitting 75. Forget about it. Me and my one con are about to make fucking.
Kyle's death. Come on.
Kyle?
You go short, you're gay. How about that?
Yeah, short is gay.
Kyle.
If you're max con short right now, you're gay.
Wait,
Yep,
like,
you're
nobody
max-
go long.
max
One
short,
second,
Kyle.
one second. Let me go long. All right.
I drink.
Let's
I'm in long, I'm in
go.
long.
Liquidity.
You go short, you're gay.
Pumping.
Y'all are my liquidity.
Guys, I'm telling you,
Poor
long-
Shambles about to lose all of his profit.
No.
Oh man.
75 or I'm gay.
Hey, Kyle, are you trading 3 accounts at the same time?
Yeah. Yeah. 3 XFAs, copy trading.
So you're up like 2,000 on each?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm up 6K.
There you go.
I'm gonna sell this at VWAP, dude. My sick one con play.
So basically, leave that one out.
This will tap my average and then go to 75.
You go
Or I'm
short,
gay.
you're gay.
If it rejects this, I believe we could go to 75. Yeah.
Best day trader. You
Wait, I added some more to it. I'm adding more.
Long?
Yeah.
Savage, dude.
Price imbalance. Look at we might hit that top of 503.
Yeah.
The buys are going
You go,
fucking
you go.
crazy right now.
Damn, I guess I should just go max long. Best on YouTube.
Dude, Shambles, what accounts are you trading right now?
Just an XFA. I'm actually
Oh,
trading
my
a
lord.
new one from that. It went live like
On the
Hey,
tile.
whoa.
Savage.
Hey, look in the chat.
You're talking
Look
about the
at
one underneath the chandelier.
Look what that short did on a eval, new eval.
You
What?
won't be able to tell that
You
from
guys
tile.
are welcome. You guys are welcome.
Where's the eval?
Yeah, it
The
would have to
live
fish.
go to the
It
live
would have to be
chat.
fished in the ceiling, and then when you
Boom,
get
that
to
was
the
I always
front,
forget
where the
about
fan
this
is,
chat, dude. 4 grand, nice, dude. Good shit.
kind of
How many
like
cons?
a small
Short.
bit of the coving, like just as slim as possible.
Hey
Dude,
guys,
I always
did-
mention look
I
the
went
chat.
long.
Nah,
Then
you
a bit
guys
of
are
the
welcome.
coving
You guys are
from the
down.
Oh,
edge of the
shit.
coving down to the fan.
Okay. Damn, I'm up like
Is
1,000 on the long.
yeah.
Why didn't we max con long,
That's
boys?
for it. That's for
What the
all
fuck?
Wait, Kyle,
and
you didn't add anything. Why didn't you add?
Cause I don't want to lose my profit. I'm happy with this. I'm just chilling.
That's
Kyle.
okay.
Yeah.
That's good. That's good, Kyle.
I'm out.
basically
Losing 100 G's will do that to you.
Just enough to get the
I'm
cubic
I'm
through.
proud of you right
Uh,
now.
And
hey,
the
my
aim is to
boy.
cut the piece in one hole, so that
Who's mad? Jay,
back in.
Jay's mad. This guy's my
Filled-
London buddy.
filled in sand. Basically, when it's filled in sand, it would appear that it's one
Filled in
hole.
sand.
These guys
Hey man, we're gonna
talking
pump
like
it.
We can
Jay.
hear you, Jay. We can hear you,
Jay,
Jay.
we
That coving
Hey,
stuff
take
is
the
a
piss,
type
'cause we gonna
of
pump
plaster
it.
anyway.
Jay.
Sometimes it's plastic or polystyrene or whatever not, but they get sanded and filled like a wall.
Okay, cool.
Okay, cool.
Electrician
But
guy, Jay.
I wouldn't put it back. I just make the mess. I don't repair
Alright.
it. Just so you know, you need. Yeah, we only make mess. We don't fix it, unfortunately. If you've got a good
Actually, you're welcome,
decent
by the way.
decorator.
Do I mute this guy? I kind of like this accent.
Exit.
Who?
That'd be great.
He's from London.
I know. I like London accents.
Bye.
Hey,
Let me mute him.
by the way, I did say that I was taking profit at 28, where it was gonna go test that imbalance. So
I don't want to hear it. Listen, I don't want to hear it. You're welcome.
I've
You
been
don't
right.
need to-
I'm right all day. Too bad I can't be right all the time.
Depends what.
Yeah, but you're like, oh, I'm gonna go
I'm
reverse.
assuming that will be a permanent
So,
fee. And then
remember what
you
happened?
couldn't link that to the
What
fan. If you
was
link
the
that to the
price
fan,
when
the
he was
fan will
going to
stay on
reverse? He would have
24/7.
probably blown up.
Is
your
that
account.
VWAP?
It needs to be switched.
Yeah.
You would have rolled your shit, my boy.
My stop would have been right below VWAP. Would have been real tight. Less than 50 ticks.
Real.
That's
tight.
respectable.
Real tight.
Jay, we
Real
could hear
tight.
your palm. Can you mute if you're not? Great.
I might add one more here. It's breaking this little downtrend here.
It's okay. It's creating another price imbalance, but go ahead.
What are you thinking? You think it might come back down? I really don't need to add, so I'm not going
Alright, now
to.
wait a couple more minutes because 15 minutes candle just formed and it's.
This is silver
think-
bullet time frame, man.
I know.
Yeah,
Silver
I'm-
bullet.
I'll just hold this one con because I just don't give a shit about it.
We have
Yeah. Stop loss, a break even. Let's see if this one con makes us a fucking Gino per account. That'd be pretty
the
cool.
wrong way, and then they blame ICT for not working out. Like, bro, why are you using the wrong way? They expect.
Mastermind's
the-
making that money today, boy.
Whoop, whoop.
Hey Jay, we
I,
were
I,
listening
I
the whole
see.
call, man.
I see. What's happening? My London High still intact. What's going on?
Hey man, bro, look, I called up another short. All these guys made money. We had this one
I
guy. He was
see.
going against us. He was like a hater to us. You know, he's like, you know what? No, I'm gonna go
Yeah,
the
but
other
guess
way.
what? I made money. I made money during it.
If it makes money, it makes sense.
Bash made money though. He went
Oh,
long and then he went short. He made money.
I made money both ways.
I know.
Well, you can do. That's the thing about
He was a
NQ. You
bipolar,
can.
man. This guy was bipolar. He's like, oh wait, no, I made money that way. I'll make money this way too now.
Fuck yeah, dude. Those are the best trades. Dude. That's how I made 30 G's fucking on Tuesday. Fucking that's the best. You ride both trends. Fuck.
We're in it to win
Yeah.
a team. That's why I
With
told this guy, I was like, oh, let's
NQ,
do live stuff. You know, I told Kyle, I was like,
You just
yo,
got to know when
getting
when NQ doesn't favor your style of trading. That's it.
Yeah, and just stop
Okay, well,
fucking
Everyone
trading.
there's scalpers or momentum traders. There's some days that NQ ain't gonna work for you. You got to learn to walk away. If you don't walk away, you
Facts.
get chopped up. You blow account.
Facts.
Simple
That's
as
why I'm glad. That's why I'm glad I didn't really trade yesterday, or I didn't trade like US. I think I fucking lost yesterday. Actually, now that I think about it, but yeah, no. Yesterday
Cal, I
was
watched your
Chop
video,
Central
man.
though.
I watched your video, Cal. Fuck, I can see that. I can see the tilt in your eyes, mate.
Dude, fucking that live account set me on tilt so many times. I'll add one more right here for safekeeping.
no, you too.
Yeah,
I'll
you
add
gotta
one more.
understand, Once you
Okay, that's good, that's
once you
good.
get some payouts, it don't hurt to buy a bunch of combines and
Yes,
and go
yes.
and YOLO the shit out of them. I don't,
Bro,
I don't like. I want to pass them in 2 days. I ain't trying to.
yo,
No,
I'm
no,
like,
that's not good thinking, dude. That's not good thinking. Don't think like that. You'll fucking ruin your
Once
fucking money and fucking.
once you get payouts, you're able to reinvest it and buy a bunch of combines. It is what it is. If you want to move quick.
Yeah.
I'm not with all
I agree
this.
with
I'm not with the little 200 a day.
Never 200 a day.
Yeah.
I like the profit target of 3K a day on the combines.
There you go. On the 150.
All right, we're coming back down. Damn.
Yeah, I'm wondering if we're going to dump like a mother.
We probably will. If you want to get out right now and then hold at the bottom, Kyle, that'd be nice.
Yeah, it might be a good idea. This is a bad ad.
Look at this nut stacking. This motherfucker still in shorts, bro. Damn. We thought you went out, bro.
Shambles?
No, the nut stacking. I mean luck stacking, bro. Fuck.
The Lux
I'm
tag
calling
is still shorts?
nut stacking. No, I call him nut stacking. Check the live chat. You'll see.
You still short with me? Savage, dude.
Only one contract, so I couldn't take profit. Oh, okay, makes sense. That's
Yeah,
how you
it
go.
look like
Mhm.
That's
it
where
look
the
like it's
micro-
gonna keep dropping, man. I want to hold
It
it.
will.
I
Cam
know.
better
That's
be
what
in
I'm kind of
shorts, too.
thinking too.
I'll probably close that shit.
Get out. Don't
That was a real bad ad. Yeah, I want to see if it breaks this level and I'll get out.
You mean
I think we're going for lower today again.
it could reverse too as well.
That's what I'm
The 15
saying.
minutes, sellers are still in control, by the way, in the 15 minutes. So that's why I said don't.
I'm only risking a little bit below this candle right now. It's a real bad ad. This was our one contract entry.
Oh, okay.
Get out of, yeah, get out. I would get out and break even probably.
Think so? I think it's gonna pump, dude.
No. Let's see that.
At least a little bit.
It needs to go back.
Unless this
I
is
still
the
hold-
pump.
Check ES. ES sometimes is better than this fucking NQ.
I still
is.
hold the view that if we don't break below 76 and stay below 76, we're either going to chop around or move back up.
76, yeah.
It's definitely going back to the lower of the day first. I think.
That's still kind of like the center of the initial balance. It's where everybody, people could still be long from the beginning of the day.
No, I think the price is gonna still go up to at least more. You know why? Because there's price imbalance on Dow. If you guys watch Dow futures, the Dow, ES,
Dow?
and Nasdaq, they're really similar to each other. and sometimes one or the other leaves a price imbalance or a fair value gap, where you, as you would not see it in other. So I do see at least 30 more ticks of.
It does make me want to add one, but I'm not going to.
No, no, I'd say I added around 495 if anything. That's where
We're not
the
gonna allow the pump
long
stuff
area
over.
control.
Like this area is do or die pretty much for the
You
day.
said that. You said that at the top too, bro. You said that.
No, I never
last-
said at the top. I said that I've always held the same view and said that at the beginning that this 476 area.
I will say this: it's gonna come down more. It's gonna come down.
It is lower day. It's gonna tap the lower day.
That's what I was thinking earlier
You guys are wishing
too.
on your downfall, man. Just get out.
I'm not in a position.
I'm gonna get out if we get a little bit lower.
This is the line in the sand. That's what I'm saying.
No, I'm just kidding. Because what was it? The mastermind said, "Oh, we're still going down." I was like, Kyle, just get out. These guys are wishing for your downfall. Man.
I'll get out if it breaks this level for sure.
Ooh, hit my target. Gotta leave. Thank you, Diamond Hands. What did you? Oh, you post the European beats me. The confused dog guy. I'm still sure because Kyle said it was gonna fall off a fucking cliff and it hasn't yet.
It's kind of falling off a cliff.
He's the type of guy who's like, when you jump off a cliff, then I'll jump off too.
Hell yeah, my boy.
Where's the liquidity?
But unfortunately, I'm fucking long right now.
475.
Yeah, I think you should get out. Get out. Kyle.
Again, though, think like.
I just added one. We'll see if it pumps up a bit.
You added.
I'm
another
with
one?
Hugo.
Yeah, I added one
I'm still
more.
with Hugo.
Third one, I thought.
I think it pumps up a
I
little
don't
bit.
think you're gonna make a lot. You're gonna make the most playing the edges both ways rather than holding for it to dump all the way to the fucking bottom of the day.
That's true.
I think it is gonna range as well. At least come up a little bit more, and I'll start scaling out.
Hugo, what's your prediction, man?
Range.
There's only a few guys now that I
Range.
expect.
Range.
Yeah, where's your prediction?
I
for
don't
range?
think you're gonna see a new low of day.
You sure? We just did one, no? I think we just did one.
No, low day is 443.
445.
My bad. 440, yeah, my bad.
Yeah.
Forgot.
I don't think we go down there.
But it took out the liquidity at 12 o'clock though, right? At the 4,
Yeah.
482.
Exactly. That's the 1245 liquidity is now gone. So based off range, I would say it goes up from here. That would be my higher probability play.
Do you see the
I
price
mean, I'm done
imbalance?
for the day, so I have no skin in the game. I don't give a fuck what it does.
Do you see the price imbalance at 475? Like there's one candle at 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
I think it's
I
just
still-
it'll pass a little bit that and then go back up. That's it. Just to balance.
Yeah,
price
it
action, just to
could.
balance the price.
It could.
'Cause I don't
Anything
really
can
see anything
happen.
else. No, nothing
I
good
think-
can only happen.
Yeah. I think ranging is more probable. Because the other thing too, when I look at dollar is about to make a basically double, triple, fucking quadruple top. So if it fucking rejects and dumps, then the market's gonna go up.
Hopefully. Because this guy's in long again.
I'm not saying to do anything. I'm saying more than likely.
Hugo, if I
don't think we
lose-
see a flush off the cliff.
No, if he comes break even, just
No, I believe in the long, dude. I believe in it. As long as we're not breaking below these wicks, I'm fucking staying this long. If we do break below it, though, I'm fucking out.
revolve candle or that whatever indicator you guys have. You guys believe in that?
I mean, this isn't an indicator. This is volume and order flow, at least in this area.
No, I'm not.
75, that's indicator on YouTube.
Are you still in your shorts, dude?
This shit about to dump.
75.
Oh my god.
Gotta go, but I just had to tell y'all.
My boy got his fucking licking.
Samples is back.
He's the best trader off of YouTube because he's not on YouTube. But now he's on YouTube. Yeah, let's go.
Yo, I'm about to get in along with you.
I'm about to add. Yeah, I'll add one more here.
Yeah, you know what? I'll go along with you guys. How about that? I'll go 5.
5?
I mean, I'm just going 1. So
I'll go
good luck,
5
guys.
too.
Good luck.
If we lose, we
I
blame
believe in the
Bashy.
range. Yeah, I'll blame Bashy too, because his long is still echoing in my head. Oh, fucking long, guys, I'm long.
Putting myself at
This is a pretty proper level. Technically, it broke the level, but it didn't go any further. So this is just like it breaking high just a little bit and then come crashing down. But the opposite.
Not stuck in is like put a buy limit at 464 so I can sell you my contracts.
I'll
But
buy
what
this
I
fucking contract.
ultimately think is it's at 210 it broke the level, and now
Good, yes.
224 it re-swept, and that's what it usually does. It fucking sweeps it one more time and then turns around.
That's
Especially if you're thinking range. So
retracement, yes, that's correct.
I
that's
believe.
what I'm looking at.
Say,
It's also the afternoon. You're probably not going to get any sort of real move until power hour.
Nope.
Isn't it power hour now?
Gonna be
No, 3 o'clock.
in
No,
30
power
minutes.
in 30 minutes.
Yeah, so this
Oh,
is
what
gonna
the
fuck
fuck?
around until then. Really.
Let's go.
Man, these time zones just fuck me up.
And
Just set your trading view chart to fucking New York Eastern time. That's what I do.
Then I get confused on the times. What time is here? Dude, it's a struggle. No, dude, I showed up for fucking New York Open what I thought was 5 minutes before. It turns out I was an hour early the other day.
Fuck. W is still good. You can still trade that. It'd be a pre-market. That's actually a good zone to trade.
I think I did trade it. Yeah. Thank you, brother.
Damn, bro, we were so up like 500. What the fuck happened? Came back down.
It's just chopping a little bit. Hopefully it chops around a little bit and blasts off to the upside.
These guys that are in short probably was like, no, go back, don't down. Yeah,
Well, it's holding this little trend line that I drew, technically.
This guy's still in the trade shorts. It's not motherfucker. The guy who wanted to jump off a cliff with you.
With us, dude, we all jumped off a cliff together.
Bro, this guy's still short. No, I think you should get out, man. You're losing a lot.
The shorts is valid, bro. The shorts is valid here.
All day.
You're going too much right now.
We'll see. It could break.
Wait, it's a new candle. No, it's a new
Could
candle.
pump up.
Here we go.
Get up. I'm out.
You think so?
Yeah.
Get out.
Damn. That's an L right there, huh? Ooh, fuck, our profit. No, Bashy, what the fuck, man? Oh, we did just eat our profit.
I know. That's why I said I should have done it.
It's unfortunate. It held this trend so hard over here. That's okay.
Actually, did you reverse? I know you're that kind of guy.
I got them in short. Best trader on YouTube.
Bashy's been a sell. He just didn't tell anyone he made 5K. Listen, not stacking.
Dude, I kind of want to get back in my longs here, dude.
Right now?
Don't take
Yeah.
Never fight the momentum.
It seems so good. Oh no.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait until we get some.
Relax.
I think it's gonna fucking moon.
It's bearish right now. Relax.
Patrick lost so many accounts. He made a video. It was like how he lost some money or accounts. The guy looked so stressed. Well, that guy was looking like depressed on top of that.
This is a stressful ass job. But I'm getting back in my longs, dude.
Alright, fuck it. I'm in with you.
Ooh, be careful, man.
I'm trying to catch this fucking knife right now. This might actually be really stupid, but I think we're okay.
Get in. Hurry up.
I'm in.
Oh god, are you long? No, he's fading us again, dude. He's max short right now.
But if this doesn't get any momentum, this keep sliding down right now. Because I mean, the line in the sand has been crossed at this point.
This is a fucking sketchy ass long, but this could easily be the reversal too.
That's true.
But chasing reversals is how I blew 100K in 2 months.
Right now, the momentum is down though. I would not take long yet. I'll wait for confirmation.
Ooh, too late for me. I'll stop out if it breaks below that wick again where we got out last time.
Yeah, that's true. I'll get out to below that candle, and then just wait till like 3 o'clock maybe and trade in. I mean, I'm up a lot, but fuck.
I'd be done if I were you. I kind of wish I was done, but fucking, it's just fun talking with you guys and trading.
No, I said I was proud of you for saying you were done, and now you're not done. So now
I
I'm not
know.
proud of you.
What a hard life, dude.
It's okay. Well, I'm doing it because I call. Like, fuck it. It is what it is.
Yeah, it's okay. Gonna try to at least not go negative here.
Just sharing his pain. You know, he just lost 100K. So that's not bad compared to what we would lose today. 500, 500 or 1,000 won't be.
Well, technically, I just lost 6K of profit. But
Chasing the price, right? That's why.
just fucking being stupid, yeah. Well, we were trying to play that level and it just rejected. It's not really stupid. It's just didn't work out.
At some point, when you lose so much, like when I used to go to casino and stuff, gamble so much, like at first I would be worried about losing 500, then 1,000, then 5, then 10,000. At some point, I just stopped giving a fuck.
Yeah.
Okay.
Losses are part of the game.
Okay, you want to get out?
I was gonna, but it looks like it's holding pretty nicely. I almost want to add. But no, that's just such a bad idea. This is a full-blown downtrend. It's even obeying the trend line.
Not stacking. Shut up.
I want to see it break this trend line.
Oh, you got out? No, you didn't get out on accident. I was praying that you get out on accident. This guy's like, oh, just give me one more dip.
One more.
Oh,
It's always one more dip. One more dip.
One more dip.
Always one more dip.
I got out on accident because my what do you call it, up on top, I'm on Tradeovate, and earlier I had canceled all my orders because I had like a buy limit.
Oh man, I wish you would have lost some more, man.
So I went up there to the drop down and I selected exit at market and cancel, thinking that would just bring that button to where I could push it instead of, because it was sitting on the cancel all, and I didn't realize I was actually going to close it. I thought it was just a drop down that would let me select it and then I could click it. So I clicked, I did that while it was pushing right there, and then it took me out.
Wait, what is your entry, Kyle? Why do you have your profits are only 265 minus 325?
I got a really bad entry. This is my entry right here, 77.
477. Mine is 476.
This looks bad.
It's holding this trend line so hard right now, but it needs to break through right now, and we're golden.
Gotta get some momentum back up. That's what
If it breaks this trend line, I'm gonna be holding this for a little bit.
I don't know if I like Tradeovate or not, but I'm kind of getting used to it. I had the order flow data on DOM before, but now for some reason it got lost.
Tradeovate's not bad, yeah. I'm gonna use that for my swing trades.
But I did hear a lot of people that have been having a lot of problems where they weren't able to close their stuff. Now, like, yeah, that's messed up. That's why a lot of people went from Tradeovate to Quantower. A lot of people going there.
Quantower is just clean, dude. I like Quantower a lot.
Probably I'll get at some point. I'll go to Quant. I don't know if they're allowed in Canada. I'm not sure, but okay, why not?
We're close to breaking this trend line. It's trying to hold it so hard.
Yeah, Mastermind. Are you in a trade or no? You're just watching. That takes.
Mastermind is fucking up 5K or something, 4K.
On 2 accounts, not one. The other one is when he was trading with me in the morning. After I was done, I was just like, here, short, fall out. He would take it and make some money. 20, 30 ticks easy.
Beautiful.
He went and got another one, but he blew up one of XFA for some reason. Okay,
hopefully it's not that account where he made a bunch of profit.
Well, he made in total he's probably up like 9,000 in both accounts, but they're both evals the new one he bought and the one before. But he blew up. He said he blew up crazy. XFAs. So. Damn, I'm hoping comes back to 487.
I think, dude, we're breaking the trend, dude. I think we're on our way back up now. Ooh, beautiful, my little baby. Thank you.
Stacking. He's probably so happy that he got out. Otherwise, he would have lost all of his profits.
Thank you.
I'm long.
Let's go,
You
Badgie.
sure?
Fucking
long.
finally decided not to fucking fade.
I don't think so, man. This guy probably went short. He's just
Yeah, I
lying
think
to
the
us.
short with you guys.
He probably reversed it. He probably went short at the second candle right here at 14:36. I don't know what time it is for you.
I added at the retest of the VWAP before the dump.
He probably went like, oh, you know what? At 2:36. Oh, he reversed it from shorts to
It's
long.
just, I mean,
Right now it
we're
is
not get-
choppy. I guess we're waiting for that 3 o'clock. Maybe that's all.
Yeah, we're not-
It's gonna be.
we're not getting a whole lot of momentum back up here, so it's still
We're breaking the trend line slowly. Believe, boys. Believe in the reversal.
manifest it
Mhm.
for us.
This somebody have cheese too.
Hmm?
Have cheese in this song.
Oh, baby. So I went from 6K profit to nothing. No, we're gonna get it back.
Oh my god.
Good times, good times. Yeah.
How did you do 6K? I thought it was like only 1100 or something.
Yeah, I don't
it's
know.
2K per account.
Yeah.
Yeah, 1100 in total. And why?
1100 per account. So that would be $3,300 loss.
Yeah, but your quant tower, why is one of your account is like where you have a $30 loss and the other one is 115 up? Like
It's just how the copy trade doesn't fill.
The copy trade on quant sucks.
Yeah.
damn. Okay, so
It's
good to
fucking
know.
brutal, bro.
Yeah.
It's horrible.
Not going to your fucking quant tower now.
I had a Geno difference the other day too. Was that bullshit?
Yeah,
Because I just saw the other two
Trader Beta
accounts.
has
That would be
better.
15 calls.
This is really fucking good.
I don't know, but I do try to know. Well, TradeAway kind of, but it doesn't allow you to put stop loss. You know where it gives you like
you
set
can't
up
do
your stop loss.
brackets. What you
Yeah,
can't
you can't
do
do
on
brackets.
Trader Beta, you can't do brackets on Trader Beta
On,
copy. But the fills, it'll be the same on all the contracts. Like
That sounds pretty nice.
contracts,
Yeah,
but on the
that's true. That's true. And that's true. Yes,
it'll
I
be
get that.
accurate. Like you won't get what he has right now, where there are different values.
Not
But you look at look at your top step, man. You have 600 MS. That's the problem.
I know.
Rhythmic as shit.
I'm also in my server's Mumbai right now. There's no South African server.
Oh, no, sorry.
It's a big yikes.
Yeah, it sucks.
Come back to like Mexico and stuff. Are you there like full time now? Like how long you planning to staying there?
Probably like another month. I've been here 1 month.
Mexico or so.
Mexico?
Yeah, 1 month. No Counter-Strike with the boy.
No, I'm switching Airbnbs next week for better internet because this internet is dog shit.
Are you like in a safe area or?
I'm downtown. It's technically this is the highest crime rate area, but all downtowns have a lot of crime rate. I think it's pretty safe. I don't mind it. It's just like Chicago. It reminds me of Chicago.
Okay, I feel like we're gonna come back a little more down because
I think this is the reversal. It's gonna take a little bit.
when we came up pretty high, we should have took profit there and then waited to come back. Should have took profit at 485 at least. But now power is coming and I don't trust that shit. Yeah, these sellers are in control right now. They're going for that. I would pay a futures platform good money for swing trading and position.
Such as all the doji candles, bearish engulfing.
Oh, I saw this one trader.
The way
there's
it
a new
looks,
trader.
like it's going to keep coming down, man.
I know it does.
All right, you want to get out? Let's get out.
Yeah. It's almost time. I'm waiting for the break of this low though.
Man, bro, what is bullshit, bro? Fuck this market. Yo, who is this? Who mastermind? This guy's we got out the win bet. Went back up.
Well, I mean, there's no reason to get out yet unless it breaks this level. This level just doesn't fucking matter, but
Wait.
this one does.
God, I thought you were getting out too, man.
I'll get out if it breaks that level, yo.
I closed in 300 loss. I could have just waited. Man.
The thing is, like, too, ES is almost down at the day's low, but NQ's not. NQ's still a good ways away.
Yeah, it is. Fuck. So you're thinking clip dive?
But see, that's the thing is, there's a key. I have a key level on ES at 38, and that's what it bounced off this morning. So is it going to come back and test that and bounce, or is it going to come back? Like, if I'm looking at it, I'm looking ES is going to come back, test that level, and NQ is going to bounce from around here because NQ has no fucking interest in going down. And then the same with Dow. Look at the Dow Jones. The Dow Jones isn't near the bottom either.
I know,
And
that's
then
what I was looking at. The Dow
and then
too.
fucking the dollar. Let me pull up the dollar. Hold up.
I heard the dollar is not always as.
No, but it's not. It's a confluence of all the shit, right? So it's kind of like you look at the dollar. It's the dollar's failing to make new highs. I look at the dollar and I look at the dollar and say the dollar is going to go down, not up. When I'm looking at the dollar, I'm not looking at the dollar and thinking it's going up. So that means stocks, in theory, stocks should go up. But it's a fucking gay range day before.
Sometimes the
NFP.
dollar would be up and then the Nasdaq would be going down, or like let's say if the
But they're uncorrelated sometimes, yeah.
That's just like if the job report comes out and it turns out to be good, guess what? Nasdaq going down. Like,
I look at VIX more.
I've never really fucked with VIX, to be honest.
I know, but it gives you like a good sense of like just like the levels. Usually, because like for VIX, when it gaps up overnight, it usually fills because it doesn't trade. Like VIX is just like it tracks during normal hours, and then you could watch it. You could watch it fill like eventually. So fill Asian sessions gap.
But you could do the same thing on Nasdaq. Just switch your fucking shit to RTH.
Yeah, but it's because it comes back to like historical norms. Like it doesn't trend higher or lower. Like Nasdaq all-time high. So you get more data that stays within a range, so you can trade the range usually.
Damn, I'll be back in a few minutes. Kyle, I hope you don't lose too much, huh? I mean,
Yeah.
I don't care about anything.
I think this is gonna reverse. I'm gonna add a little bit here.
Yeah, I think the same too. I hope it dumps. I'm sorry.
Oh, you motherfucker, you. Oh my god, it is dumping.
Yeah. I pay attention to the order flow.
Let's see if this is bullshit.
And I pay attention to the EMA as well.
Bro, you're down 1,500 again. You.
I think it's a bullshit dump. Pump it.
Well, look at ES. Look at how ES bounced off 38.
Oh shit.
Let's see
if
it.
it breaks 38, then you're fucking going lower. But if it doesn't break 38, it's.
I think it did 30, no?
If to the fucking tick, man. The low of the candle right now is.
Won't let him, bro. How the fuck is it?
We're looking for the reversal.
Oh, there you go. There you go.
Looking for the reversal.
Do not stay in. Don't lose more.
I want to hold this for a while, to be honest.
You only have an hour to hold it for.
I
hold it for a fucking while.
I'll hold it for an hour. I think we got a fucking reverse here. I mean, look at this fucking 5-minute wick too.
Maybe at power hour.
Look at
15 minutes.
Before the day's closed, it might pump.
That's what I'm saying. Like, if you look at ES, it bounced off a key level, and it fucking went off its low too. So
right about now, for the next 15-20 minutes, this shit could fall off the cliff though.
That's true. I'll get rolled.
It can, but even that's the thing is I look at the Dow flipped. Yeah, it's hard to like. Obviously, no one fucking knows, but I would favor still
Longs, right?
ES breaks. I still favor longs until ES breaks 38s. And I'm looking at the dollar. The dollar looks like it wants to go down, not fucking up. I certainly wouldn't fucking short this. I would long with caution, and even off my projections off the 135 high that it made, it just hit my target area for take profits for the shorts. And literally at 67 was the bottom of it.
This feels like a reversal.
Let me, can I fucking share? I can share my screen at the same time you are, right?
Oh, sorry.
Like this swing up here. So 2.5 is usually the end kind of result of where I look to take profits on a short, and that's literally where it bounced off this zone. And then when I look at ES, this is the wrong ES chart. I don't have the right levels marked out on this one, but it's on a different screen.
So hold the longs forever. Let's go.
That's what I like. I'm looking at this, and I don't think we come back down here.
I don't think so either.
Look at this, like this right here, order block. Even ICT, whatever you want to fucking call it, right here. Like, look at that. Bounced right off it, which is the target area for these shorts. So now it's power hour too. Like power hour, what happens to all the day expiries? They all get sold. Whether you're fucking up, down, or sideways, it doesn't matter. Shit that's expiring today gets sold. And selling's gonna fucking increase. Like you're buying. It's all buys. So, I don't know. I wouldn't fucking short. I'd hold longs if you're in longs.
I like the sound of that.
But it's definitely messy.
Just a little bit. It's always messy before you make a shitload of money.
But in like the day too, like we've been talking about our all day range. It's NFP range. But like you look at that, like look at how I reacted to 67, look at how ES reacted off 38. And like I posted these levels in Discord a while ago now too. So like maybe someone
I want to see a pump to VWAP. That's what I want to see.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Go there.
I think so
this
too.
Indicator, I think this is the same shit you draw out, Kyle. If you're looking at things, it's just automatically drawn out.
Yeah.
And there you go.
Oh, there's a fucking pump.
Nice pump. Nice pump.
There we go.
I'm gonna keep holding. I think this is gonna pump hard. I'm not selling anything.
So what I would do now when I draw my projections, this here is the fucking manipulation. So I'd go off the swing low to the swing high. I'd look for stalling at -1 to -1.5. And
What price levels are those? I can't see. It's too small.
Here. You see it?
I was secured in profits though.
And you see it now?
I think we're pumping, dude. Go.
You're gonna go up to 96. You're gonna go up to 96.25, and then there you might catch a reversal.
96.25.
Reverse a little bit. 96.25. Like I expect resistance there, and then here's the next liquidity point up here at 504. And then the big like.
I like 504. I'm going for 504 at least. I sold one condo.
Yeah, big targets would be 512, 520, and then if it fucking like wants to exaggerate all the way up here, which I don't think it'll do because it's fucking NFP, but
You don't think it's
like that's how I. Well, not today. Like it's not gonna go up fucking to 544. I think it's gonna chop more.
I think so
like,
too.
You're gonna hit here, then it's gonna come down a bit, then maybe come up here, come down again, and then like the day's basically done. Because ES is coming. Here's a different screen, but ES is coming into this is a key level for ES. So literally bottom tick there that I fucking talked about, and then I would expect resistance here, and that resistance is gonna line up with this zone right here on NQ.
I like 512, dude, for myself.
Yeah, well, yeah, but what I'm saying is it'll go up to here,
then down a bit, then up to probably VWAP. I don't think it just rockets up to VWAP here, is all I'm saying.
Word. And I don't want to get stuck in a little drop
And the thing
because
is, yeah, do you want to hold? Like, I would start scaling out 1 or 2 right there.
yeah, I did.
Because you have what, almost an hour and 8 minutes left. Like,
Oh shit, dude, we're up like 12 G's now too. I'm cool with that. I'm gonna close most of it on this next little pump up.
well, how much are you in right now?
I have 6 cons. I sold 2 so far.
Damn, Kyle, look at
Secure the bag.
Bro, shit, I missed it all, man.
Secure the
Oh, my poor guy.
Secure the bag.
Nah, I think we're still pumping. I think this is just a little bullshit
That's
pullback.
What did I say? 96.25. I said there'd be a pullback at 96.25. It's not
Yo.
like how big of one, right? Like,
That's messed up. That's messed up.
Secure the bag alert.
I'm going. You guys can go short here.
no, it's don't short now. Your
Yeah.
short would have been at 96.25.
This is a long entry, if anything.
If anything, yeah, but I would wait to maybe get down here.
I ain't doing shit, bro. I lost.
I mean, I'm done, man. I'm on day 6 of trade day, and I'm up 13K.
Ooh, very nice.
So,
Hey, Hugo, are those standard deviations that you got there?
yeah.
Okay.
I was thinking about doing trade day. Is it worth it? Like, have you got paid for
For me, I like it because of 2 things. One, you trade in the live market.
Yeah.
2, you don't, because I've had Topstep XFAs 3 times, 3 accounts at 15K. Issues with Trade of 8 where my DLL didn't hit and it wiped the entire account.
Whoa.
Yeah.
So like, I got fucked, man. I got 21K payouts from Topstep. It should have been closer to another 45 on top of that. Because that issue happens, then you go on tilt, you try and make it all back in one day, and we all know how that goes.
Yeah, but wouldn't they give you another one though? Like another?
Yeah, but it took like 2 months, man. For
What?
Yeah, bro, it took forever.
No, that's some bullshit. How they want money right away, but
that's
to
what
give
I'm
it
saying,
back is
right?
2 months.
And that was 3 times on day 5.
Did you pass
The
yet?
worst-
Have you passed your trade day, Tom?
Yeah.
You sweating a little bit, baby? You sweating?
No.
And then
Oh,
the way
good.
I look at trade days,
Either
I
am
can
I.
take daily payouts.
Yeah.
And you can leverage your profits properly. With Topstep, you can't trade 15 contracts. 3,000 is done instantly.
I know. It's so hard, dude. I tried it for so long. Fucked me up so many times.
Yeah, because you have to go and you have to make like 4,000 or 5,000 off 3 safely, and then it's like, okay, now I can leverage higher. But like the move of the day has happened by then, at least for me, because of where I live. I have a family, etc., etc., etc. And that's what I hate. It's like starting a game at level 1 over and over again.
Yeah.
Fuck.
How do you
I actually
trade? Do
agree
you
with
trade
that.
order flow, or do you trade like another theory or concept or whatever?
I wouldn't say it's ICT. I think ICT is rebranded shit. I like the standard deviations, and if you look at the reason I like them,
ICT hater.
it's not that I hate them, but like if you look like here, 1.5 is at this swing high, and your classic support and resistance, this swing high, this right here, that's resistance.
He doesn't
right
say
there.
he doesn't say to apply that to everyday chart, man.
No, but what I'm saying, like I take a combination of things, and I look at this
Yes,
like, okay,
that's
this
good
is
to add to
resistance.
it, and create a good.
And then like
strategy
here,
behind it.
okay, like ICT's fair value gap here. Okay, like expect reversal there. Oh, like as I showed on my chart, I have key levels on ES. Literally bottom ticked this as we were sitting here talking. 38, it's up fucking almost 10 points. So I look at that, then I look also at dollar, and I said dollar looks like it wants to go down, not fucking up.
Yeah.
So then it's just kind of a combination of those things, and then I look now on NQ, and I chart this out. This is simply to know where to take profits, because you can even, if you scalp this shorted at 96.25, it went down to 84. Like that's 12 points on NQ on 3 contracts. That's good money. Like you could, that could be your day right there. That one play, boom, done.
Are those fib levels, or are those like?
It's just it's just standard deviation though.
Okay.
That's all it is. You just have to know. The way I map it is like, you look at this, it's going down. This is just a sweep of this down here. That's
Yeah.
all this was just a sweep to grab more orders to go up. And it's same thing Bashi said. This is the line in the sand is down here of people that got long in the morning. Everyone that got long in the morning got long around here on these wicks. That's where people got long. So until that breaks, we're bullish, because if you look even the 5 minute here, we broke this low, this like higher low, but really the low that placed this high is this one here. So until this breaks, I'm not like, I'm shorting for scalps. I'm not looking for big time shorts unless you kind of like look up here at London.
How long do your
But
trades usually last? Like
not
maybe-
long. I started, so this will happen to me in my like career of trading, which is it's been under a year. I started with elite funded trading and I didn't read the rules of the 30% consistency. I got funded and I took a 100K account to 350
Here you go.
in like a month. And
Dang.
then
350K?
yeah, so
I
then I was
went
like, oh,
long at 70 because I'm the best.
You go
You're
killing the
such
game.
a troll. But I got fucked because I had that consistency rule, and then I went heavy all the time, and I basically, the account's sitting there. There's no point in continuing to trade it. I canceled it because I don't want to keep paying. I'll never get a payout. But what I learned with the trailing drawdown challenges like Apex and those, doing 3 trades and holding fucks you.
Yeah.
You have to size heavy and then scale out lots. Like I would size 24 contracts on here, for example, and then once I see this pop down here, I'm out, majority of it. And then I'll hold a few runners and have the stop loss really tight if it wants to continue. But like I'm constantly monitoring the trailing drawdown, so that kind of built a very scalpy style of trading. And even here, like again, like this level, rejected it twice now.
Yeah, I'm thinking I should get out of this, honestly.
You see how this higher low here is now looks like it's about to be broken when this candle closes. As I go off candle closes, I want the body to close below this, and then I'm like, okay, it's fucking switched. Like on the 1 minute time frame, and then sometimes what I'll do, if you go down to 15-second, fuck, I'll even go down to the 5-second. Look at 5-second, it's already 5-second has broken structure. But
Yeah.
I'm looking at all of it. I have the 3 minute here. What I usually actually do, so it's not as messy, is I won't sync this, so it's clear. But you look at like 5 minute, like here's your swing low. It has like your classic support and resistance. ICT says order blocks, but your classic support and resistance is this. This is support. This whole candle is support. This is the like non-greedy entry. The greedy entry is this right here, down here, is where your greedy entry is.
Yeah.
And same thing down here. Like this whole candle is essentially this swing low is support, but I always go for kind of support and resistance levels when I'm looking at this. I don't look at the bullish candles. Like so for support, it's the bearish candle. Bottom of the body to the bottom of the wick. That's where I'm looking to get long. And if you look like this up here, 5 minutes, you just do the opposite and look at, okay, well, swing high here, swing high here. This swing high never made it to that swing high, which is London high. Surprisingly, I thought it would have gone to that and then gone down, but you look at here in an uptrend again, like this is holding for now. It wicked below, like fuck the wicks, I don't give a fuck about the wicks. And now I would suspect that it goes up.
512, right?
Yeah, I'd look at 512. I'd look
That's
at
what I'm
least
looking for.
504. 504 is where I scale out your next cons. 1 sec.
504, okay, I like that. Then hold 2 runners. I'm gonna scale off 4 at 504, then hold 2 runners.
How are you? How good are you with analyzing news? Is that his name? What was his name?
I think he said be right back. I'm not sure though.
Oh,
Yeah.
he's back. Okay.
Yeah. I mean, I do watch the Dixie the most when news comes out.
No, I'm just trying to say, like, Kyle, what we can do is, like, have like two people, or like two, three people, like, do charting, and then one person, who's good at, like, news and stuff, and then just whenever we're trading, so we have those charts ready, whether it's London session or New York session. So that way, when we all trade, we look at those charts, see what's going on, and person who's good at, like, analyzing the news can also help and say, hey, this news is coming, this is attached related to this. So, I mean, so far, Hugo sounds pretty experienced. I don't know if
Hugo
you have
seems like a
any other
charting
guys.
beast.
I know that I do,
Hugo
because
knows his shit.
exactly, he knows a lot of ICT stuff too, which I agree with him, because that's what I know, right? So that's good too. Do you guys do you guys know anybody else that comes on, like, regularly, or that's more active besides Shambles or Shambles, whatever his name? Besides
Yeah,
Shambles.
I mean, there's a bunch of people in the Discord on regularly.
Yeah, just put the best out of best together. That's because that's with Danny had nobody. He was doing all the same by himself, and then he got one guy who's really good at news and stuff. His old guy, and then he had two people doing the charting session.
I like the sound of it.
Trust me, it helps a lot. See,
I
now
try
we
to
have like
avoid news, to be honest, because I just think it's fucking gambling. That's real gambling,
no,
in
we
my
don't trade
opinion.
news. We don't trade news. It's just someone analyzing, telling us, hey, the news is good or bad for us. Or, what we should expect.
It creates market sentiment. So
That's what I mean. Like I don't know. Like he sounds pretty good on the charting session, right? For charting, I don't know, but that's why I just want to ask him if he would be good for also for news too.
Yeah, let's see when he gets back.
And also, people who have blown too many accounts, they also have experience. I didn't know Mastermind has blown 100 accounts, man. I thought my 60 was
I
bad.
think I'm
Nah,
done
that
for
motherfucker
now,
blown
but keep it
100
safe
accounts.
because I'm probably gonna eat in like 30 minutes.
30 minutes for what? What are you talking about?
Sorry, I was talking to my Thai baby.
Oh, you're Hi, baby.
My Thai baby.
Like a kid or a girl?
A girl, not a kid.
Oh, shit. Well, you said baby. You could have said my Thai chick or something. You said it's just a baby.
Same, but different. She's my baby. I should cook some badass food for me. But I'm so like fucking into this trade that I can't even eat.
I think you're good. What are you looking for? Are you trying to?
I'm looking for
are you trying to get
512 right here.
504, 512.
Yeah, but 504, I'm gonna scale out a little bit.
I think you're good for 504, man. 512. Where's 512?
512 is VWAP.
Yeah. I mean, we just entered the power hour, so just be careful, man.
Yeah. If it doesn't fucking blow past this high right here, then might be in trouble.
You're green back on the day, man. I'd say cut it between that 2500. So.
I just want to see this fucking move happen because it already broke out a little bit above. So yeah, let's get this move going and then we're gonna scale out.
Now the buyers are in control. On the 15 minutes, buyers are in control right now.
Yeah, I like this trade.
Yep, keep going. Yeah.
Projecting 500. See that pushes through.
It will. The buyers are still in control.
Easy money. Let's go. I'll scale out
how
2 right now.
how you had the what was it trading view buyers and sellers pressure indicator that I gave you.
Yeah.
It tells everything, and it's so OP.
Your buyers are still going nuts right now.
Oh yeah, 100%.
You go, you back?
It's 5,000
I'm
against 700.
driving. I'm literally driving to an appointment, but
Hmm.
you're fucking welcome.
Hey, I knew it too, but I like your take profit levels a lot, dude. I like those a lot.
Dude,
That's a
what I
badass.
like about, because I have I kind of have the same concepts as you. I look for liquidity sweeps on swing highs, swing lows, but I could never figure out when to hold, when not to hold until I started introducing those
Standard
fib levels, because they'll
deviation.
tell you which swing points are important. And
How
then
do you-
once you the other thing you do too, what I've noticed, you guys probably saw them, the levels. I can screenshot it and I'll post it, but the 1 minute, I usually look, when you draw it off the 1 minute, you look at -1, -1.5. When you draw it off a 5 minute, as you go higher in time frames, you look further and further, which makes sense, right? Like, you're going to get a bigger move. You may not get it that day, though.
Mm-hmm.
I find, the other day, when you made all that money, when Shams called, dumped the shit out of it, if you projected on the 5 minute those same standard deviations, you would have caught the absolute bottom off the 930 open, which is super volatile, and you just long there, and you would have instantly, within 20 seconds, been up 40 points. So they kind of they work quite well, in my opinion. That's the only thing that I've found recently that's super consistent.
Hugo, how good are you with analyzing news? I wanted to ask you this.
Analyzing what?
News,
News.
whenever the news that comes up, right? How good are you with it? Because I was just telling Kyle, what we should do with two, three of us, they do the charting, and then one is who's really good at news, analyzing news, Because I know you're good at charting, and then you also know a lot of concepts of ICT that I know, right? So which can be really good for charting. So I just wanted to ask if
with news, what I've noticed with news is you have two types of news. And you have when we had this massive bull run, the news that you had was pump it, and it would just be one directional. Most of the time, what news is just liquidating key levels at both sides.
Ah, fuck it, I'm out, dude. That's fucking 15K today. What the fuck? Sick, dude.
I told you, look, it's almost at 2. Almost at 2, almost at VWAP. That's what we fucking
Yeah.
said.
Yeah, I just sold that VWAP. It literally just almost tapped VWAP. Dude, look at the size of this fucking 5-minute green dildo. That's nuts. Jesus.
Now we call it a green anything bullish green. We call it green dildo.
Now we're definitely fucking done. Yeah, Shambles fucking best trader on YouTube. Yeah, I hear you.
Yeah, I went long from 70 to 75.
Yo, yeah, Shambles said he was going long at 75.
Fucking.
Not stacking put your pin.
None of y'all believed in me. I told y'all 75, baby.
Yeah, dude, you're right on. Fucking perfect entry for my longs,
Yeah,
too.
he did say in the beginning, he said he's putting his buy orders in at 70 to 75, literally way long ago.
Yeah,
Shambles,
hours ago. It's in the chat. Trust me.
you might be the best fucking trader on YouTube, dude.
None of y'all believed in me. All right, peace, y'all.
Shambles comes in here to fucking show us who's boss and then pieces out.
Because we're on the West Coast and I work late and have a young kid and all this shit, a lot of the times when I'm at work or even driving home from work, I'm fucking talking to Sham. And there's a bunch of times where we literally called highs and lows of London and then where it's going to go during New York, and it goes exactly there. I don't want to bash Danny or these other guys or this or that, but every other alerter that I know,
That motherfucker made me lose so much money. Fuck Danny. That guy's a fucking idiot.
every alert service that I know, the guys don't actually trade to make money. I told Sham, and I don't know, I think I posted in the Discord too. I work for the federal government in Canada, and fucking Phoenix pay system's fucked up, so sometimes I don't get paid. Recently I haven't been paid, and it's been only recently, maybe last week, that shit got sorted, and the only thing that kept me alive was the fact that I made 21K from Topstep, because that 21K was 30K Canadian. So I was
that's a lot.
that's what held me together. But my stake in knowing what I'm doing is not like Danny, where I get 100K a month and I take 20 of it and throw it in a fucking direction and hope that I'm right.
And someone said Danny's starting his own prop firm. Yeah, that guy's fucked in the head. I hope he goes down. But that guy, the idiots made some stupid callouts during news time. Listen, oh, at that time I was new too. I believe I was an idiot too. I was new to futures and all that shit. And you know, I see him making a lot of money. So like, okay, I got into it. But the way he was doing some callouts, man, support fucking off of.
Well, let's keep the talking shit like down, boys. Like we don't need to talk shit. Let's do something constructive. Like talking shit gets us nowhere and doesn't help anyone.
In the past, I'm saying I was new to it as well. I don't hold any grudges onto it. It is what it is. It's gone.
But that's where, like I said, like with these standard deviations, even if you missed the long entry, where like Kyle was long, and I said like take some off at 96.25, you could have even shorted there, knowing that you're on the wrong side for a quick scalp, and you would have gotten 10 points out of it. Actually, you would have gotten 16 points out of it if you caught the absolute bottom, which you probably realistically wouldn't have. But it's very easy because, like I said, like look for it to reverse here to about, and I pointed on my cursor, not exactly where it was, but roughly there. And you can kind of apply ICT concepts there where it's like, okay, you have that fair value gap at, you know, the 250, the 249 candle. So you could look to like take profit there on that quick short scalp and then maybe get long because now you have some profits to play with to risk in case it comes back to like say Kyle's entry. So it's that's my like, I hate not knowing where, like I need to know where things are going, when they're going to turn around, when I'm going to take profit, all that sort of stuff. And I had to learn that the hard way with every other firm other than Topstep and Trade Day where you have these trailing drawdowns. Because if you were in a trailing drawdown, Kyle would have been fucked.
Oh, I've been done for. Yeah, that's why I don't trade those prop firms, dude. I mean, I passed the evals, but it was just so sweaty and just terrible time, dude. I did not have any fun.
It's hard because it teaches you habits that I wouldn't say are necessarily good, but it also teaches you some that are good because you learn to. I kind of did that for so long that I have a pretty good knack of when NQ based off my contract size. I have a pretty good knack based where I should take profit or where I can expect some retracement, just based off the P&L from doing those type of firms for so long.
Are you from Toronto?
No, I'm on the West Coast.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Who's from Toronto?
Me.
But yeah, fucking look at like you basically caught the top there, Kyle.
Like Toronto.
Yeah, that was a good call.
It's not Toronto.
It was 170 ticks, huh? Something like that.
I'm from like Saga.
Exactly.
Well,
Saga is not Toronto, buddy.
I know, but like, are you from Toronto then?
I'm from Saga too.
Wait, you go. So you're using the fib, right?
Yeah.
Does a fib? Okay. Yeah, I fucking dicked around with that before. Fuck, I did it again.
I'll post like a description and screenshot of what and how I do it.
With your
I like that.
your deviation levels and
Post
stuff?
it. Hugo, post it in the educational one, in the educational tab in Discord, because I think that's something that everybody should know, dude. Yeah, this one, right?
Yeah, that one. Hugo, what do you think of the Fibonacci retracement, the one that I had, which is an ICT setting? I showed it to you earlier.
It's similar. You just draw it differently than me. The difference is we draw it. We draw it differently.
That one is for
always
short.
draw
I
mine.
want to find for longs. Can you help me with it? Because like with that one, I've been able to like take shorts all the time.
Yeah.
It's guaranteed 20, 26. Guaranteed.
I actually have no fucking idea how to use this.
I'll post like a description and all that shit when I'm home. I just have to fucking run to this appointment, but
You down to make a little video explaining it too, maybe?
Hold on, I can't hear shit.
Oh, should I knife catch right now? Nah, fuck that. Nah, we're done trading. I'm out.
Second time you said you're done, you're done.
You're done.
It just seemed like such a sick trade, though.
Bruh, you wrote this shit up.
Yeah.
150
Close
ticks,
it up.
and then you want to try and cash this
juiced.
150
You juiced it, bro.
drop.
Chill out, bro.
No, now you see how I lost my life funded account.
Yeah, stop it, bro. Don't do it.
Kyle, the whole team is saying that's it.
Oh shit, that's
If you're
it.
itching,
Yeah, I'm
then, like,
done.
open like
You're done.
No,
bro.
no, no. I'm
put it
done.
on that paper.
We're up 15K. I'm done. I'm done. I'm cool. I'm cool. I just saw it dumping like a fucking monster, and I love these kind of plays because it just happens so fast. You know what I mean? The bounce could be like fucking 100 ticks in like fucking a minute. You know what I mean?
Just slide down.
Shit. Fuck. No, we already did that earlier. I think with our longs somewhere over here. We're not doing it again.
Yeah, it was so close to VWAP, and then it just rejected off. Well, not really rejected. It just like literally just fell off
Yeah.
of that.
Yeah, just fell off a fucking cliff. It almost touched VWAP. So close. That was a good trade though. That was a really good long.
I was like, what? Did you bought a tick that right? That's 185 tick.
Yeah, I think so because I added a little bit on this like sweep that broke the levels because I knew it was bullshit. You know what I mean? Or I thought it was bullshit. I didn't know at the time, but yeah, I added like one con there and then one con like a little bit lower.
So you kind of pyramided it.
Yeah, a little bit. So I think all in all, I probably got 150 ticks.
That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Yeah.
No, I think you got more than
I
250. You
wrote
just kept going back and
I saw
losing
it
it.
rejected off of that of VWAP, and I just like took took two cons in on that.
Oh, you took a short?
Yeah, I took the short down.
Nice.
Damn. This guy went
Short
against us.
shorting is so much better than fucking longs, dude.
Because in my opinion,
No,
like the
no,
overall
no,
trend
we
for
weren't
me
short.
was
Nobody
like,
was short. Only this guy went long. I took out mine close because I was like, okay, I gotta go pray, and I was like, whatever. I saw.
like for me, my view was like the overall trend of the day was still pretty bearish.
Yeah. No, I would have shorted that too, to be honest, but I fucking don't want to overdo it. Like if I wasn't in those longs, I'd probably be going short.
On a 150k account, and then I already have profits, so I was like just playing with money I already have.
That's what I did earlier, and then I over added and fucking got smacked. What'd you say?
To go to a trading view, I'll show you the Fibonacci retracement for.
I don't really use Trading View though. But let's see on what the 15 minute.
Don't you have a fib on a
Quant Tower? Yeah, I do.
Yeah, I don't know if there's
We'll get the Quant Tower fib set up after Hugo gives us the settings.
Okay, dope. Wait, is there settings on this shit?
You should be able to.
Right?
Yes.
We
can adjust. We can adjust all
you
the
have to
levels.
draw it first. You have to draw it first, and then.
Yeah, fib levels.
Fibonacci levels. Okay, I see. 20. Like, what the fuck is this?
You just need to like change out the levels. So
1 second. Let me see. Mine. Okay. What the fuck? Mine doesn't have levels. It's completely different because I'm on Trading View. Yeah, I'll just
the
explain
levels
to you.
the levels should be like you just need to like put it like input it into numbers. It should just automatically just like go on
Yes,
there.
but what level?
What numbers? Is it like 1, 2, 3? Is that what it was?
Let's do this. Let's do. So level 1 is 0. Level 2 unticket. Level 3 unticket. Level 4 is 1 again. So let's start from level 1. Level 2 unticket. Close it off. Yeah. Level 3 close it. Level 4 is 1.
1.
Just 1. Yeah. Level 5 2.618.
2.618.
1. 2.618. Yeah. And then the next one is 4.236.
Oh my fuck! Hold on. It's not letting me put that many numbers. So 2.616 is all I could do. If I do the 8, I can't. So 2.16. Is that cool?
2.6. No, 2.618. It's 618. So 2.6.
6.1. That's all I could do. I guess I should round up, right? It's an 8, so round up to 2.
Just 6.2. Yeah.
2.
Yeah, sure. And then 4.23. I guess if since it's a 6, 2.4. I guess 4.24.
4.24.
Yeah. And the next one is 1.414. So round it up to 4.42. But it's less than 5 though. I don't know if you round it up.
No, if it's less than 5, you round down. Wait, so hold on. So 1 point what?
4, 4, and 1 because it's 1 for the lesson. I don't think it will work because it's opposite things, but and after that, the next one is same. It's 2.414. 2.41, and then the rest, next 4 levels untick it.
Untick it. Okay.
That's it.
Well, let me just save this. What about these? Left, right? Right. No, that doesn't matter. Set as default. Okay, perfect.
I don't know. See, close it, and then I want to see it again.
And then what? We're going for the highs, right? Right up there. What the fuck?
Yes.
No, this thing's done.
You
It
just
doesn't work.
do the high and the swing
And then
low.
swing. Yeah.
Yeah, but this fib is fucked up. We fucked up the settings, I think.
No, just go back to it. So you bring it, drag it to the bottom of that blue candle, and go to the top of the blue candle. It's okay.
Oh, this blue candle?
No,
the
the other
settings
one.
no, the settings are definitely messed up.
No, it will
No,
open.
they're
all,
definitely fucked.
all your levels
yeah.
are
For
like
trading view.
pushed
That's why.
together.
Yeah, it's for trading view because I was trying to maybe if it can work, but no, it's not gonna work.
No. Well, that's
No, the
okay.
Figo, or he left. Well, ask him if he uses the quantile, sure, but if you want for trading view, I can give it to you. Those
I will get
I'll put it
Hugo
on TradingView.
settings, and then I'll do I'll fix it for Quan Tower after I get Hugo settings.
Here.
Deal. I like the sound. Oh, I still need to copy that. On my phone.
Cool.
Hold on.
Also, check your texts, Kyle.
Check my text. Okay. Check them a little bit. So does it work on the 15-minute or nah?
It works on. I usually we use it on the 1 minute, but you can use it.
Yeah, it should work on like 1 to 5, like 1 5.
Okay.
Go to settings. All right, so we're gonna go to the first one, leave 1.0, and tick the second and third one. The next one will be 1, and then after that 2.618. Good. The next one is 4.236. Good. And then the next two is tick them 1.1414. No, the other side. Come back the other lane.
Oh, this side?
Previous lane. Yeah. And then tick the next one too. 2.414. Okay, now let's go to the right side. The first one should be 0.5, 0.5. And tick the next two. The next two should be minus 2.5 and minus 3.
Minus 2.5.
And minus 3.
Minus 3.
Go back, yeah, this thing. Go back to the top and take the first one and take the second one. No, the right lane. On the right, that's your left. Yes, and take the first one and take the second one. All right, now go.
I want some green.
No, it doesn't matter. You're not gonna put any background. What happened? Hey, come back to it.
Oh wait, we need more. Oh, okay, hold on one second.
No, click back on that one. You're gonna remove the background of it. On the setting. You can
Just double click it. Yeah.
All right, go down. So remove the background and come back and press the values. So no price and take the prices. No, on the left.
Yeah. Give him have him set everything to white except for the golden zone.
Same, and then put the font size to 16 or whatever your eyes can see.
Make everything white.
Yeah.
Except for the golden zone.
Golden zone is what, the first?
Those are unticked. We don't use those. This is just for shorts, by the way. This is just for shorts, yeah. All right, now press OK. You can save it if you're on the template. And just short down ICT shorts or whatever.
Oh, did it just fucking...
No, you said
Oh my fuck.
Nah, it's fine.
All right, let's go again. It's okay.
One more time.
The first one is 0. Here, you can see my screen. I shared it.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
Oh, let me close it.
Let's see. Oh,
Reduce.
Features Forever posted the fib levels for Q at the Fun Tower. Okay, nice. So we're gonna add those later.
On the same
Enter
day,
those on
okay.
Q2. Nice.
Try both, see which one works. This one is just for shorts, that's it. There you go.
Okay. There's one. Oh no, this one's nothing.
Hey, BM, we need ICTs for shorts. This is just for shorts, by the way, not for regular stuff. For the other one, he's going to be doing it. Yeah, these are just for shorts. So this fib is
Just for
like kind of guaranteed
shorts.
like 20, 30 ticks.
Just for shorts, okay.
Yeah, this is just for shorts, and I'll prove it to you because this is how we took the smart mastermind. You can ask him. This is how I give him the callouts.
Ships, shorts,
Hey,
fib.
put ICT's name and put some respect on that guy's name.
Oh, this is like the CT's thing? I got you. Gotta pay credit where it's due.
Don't worry, I'll show you right now. This is what I traded off. So press, I guess everything okay?
I can't change the name, so sorry ICT,
Alright,
but
so-
everyone that watches the video can know it's ICT.
Alright, no, that's fine. So this is a high, that's the low. This was already formed. I think Mastermind was on at around that time, and that was telling everyone like, oh yeah, look, shorts are coming. Shorts came all the way here. Now I'm gonna do the same thing again. So the highest I could go here, and the lowest probably, or I can't even go here. Let's say this has already formed this candle. The shorts came already. Second time here, market goes back up to it. Shorts again once, and everyone says, "Oh, this is now 20, 30 ticks." I'll show you how many ticks is it. 105 ticks. That's one attempt. Second attempt, which is probably what 140 ticks again, and this one everyone was watching it, by the way, when I was live in the morning from here all the way to here. Yeah, sorry, 200 ticks. I put it at this low. It was already formed, so when the market goes back up to it, came back down right to it. All the way here, 200 ticks. Even if it doesn't go 200, 20 to 30 ticks is guaranteed. In case the
Pretty
market
good.
is not moving a lot.
That's the trade you guys took this morning?
Yes, and I took this starting from London. I made 2,000 in London. Throughout all these shorts, these small shorts, this is where I used all this Fibonacci level.
Beautiful. Yeah, I literally did it again. That's funny.
right here. Look,
Yeah.
price where I'm pointing at. Here, I'll just go point market is. Right here.
Yeah, I literally did it again. It peaked at London highs and boom, came right back down there.
Yeah, put some respect on ICT's name, guys. Where's Hugo? Fucking sure. No, he saw it. He saw it. He was like, "Oh, that's pretty good." He saw it. I just want to see. This is just for shorts. I want to find out the longest, but I see, being ICT, he's secretive. He only gives that to the people who paid him for mentorship. He doesn't give it to us for free.
No, everyone gets it for free thanks to you.
I know. I know. Even this one came out of his mentorship too. So that was like, you guys are lucky to have it. And 20, 30 ticks is guaranteed, as long as you use the right swings and swing highs and lows.
Yeah, I like that. I like the fibs because I actually usually just use like manual price levels for take profit, but this seems a lot more accurate.
Especially, it works the best when like, okay, the price went up. All right, now let's see where there was for example, like a trend. If you want to use a trend, okay, mark the swing and highs and lows. Look at the 0.5. When it comes there, sometimes it goes 5 to 10 ticks up and up above that. If there's a price imbalance, it'll trace that, balance the price, shoots back down. So that setting is just for shorts. Let's see if I'll talk to Hugo if he can help me set up for pumps buys. That would be really nice. And then that's it. Because even 20, 30 ticks, put in 10 contracts, that's nice, man.
Yeah, very nice. It's cash money. All right, guys, I gotta go. Fucking been here way too long. I got my baby sitting here. She needs some attention. But good trading.
You made some good money.
Yeah, 15K. Not bad. Not bad at all. That's good.
We caught those shorts. Where's Bashy? Where's this guy who wanted to go the other way?
The motherfucker, dude. He wanted to go shorts. I think the new rule is do whatever Bashy says not to do. I think that's how we're gonna make a shitload of money.
They do whatever Bashy and Nuts stacking. These two motherfuckers. These are always against us.
Those motherfuckers. Well, Nutstagger fucking made the short with us, I believe, right?
I know.
Yeah,
but
he
kept
did.
holding guys. When we went out, he went and then he went back up and came
But
down with it.
but to be fair, I did want to hold it too. It's just I got all nervous and I fucking sold it.
Not quite the
Well, it's good to take profits, but then like, sometimes you gotta leave some runners.
Yeah.
He did not leave runners. He had both of his contacts. That's what he said in the chat, I think. Oh, hold on, greedy as hell.
Yeah, I used to don't keep any runners, but now I always keep at least one.
Dude, our boy Phoenix took that short with us too. And he went from minus 2,600 to plus 3,100. What a beast. Phoenix, dude. He said, you really are much better than those who claim to be gods on YouTube. P.S. Thanks, Shambles, for getting superb levels during London session.
Oh, this guy, Phoenix, where did he post it?
You gotta think, he's gotta thank you, you too. Hugo, yeah.
It's like I want to turn into like one day I'll just wake up, put a trade, go back to sleep, just wake up again and it hits TP.
Hell yeah, those are the best trades, dude. I did that once and I woke up to like 26K profit. I was like, yeah.
26K profits.
Yeah, but that hasn't worked out for me in a long time.
Next day you wake up 50K in drawdown.
Yeah, seriously. Pull a Hugo.
Going from Lambo to McDonald's money. Damn, they're really dissing you, huh?
Well, I seeing a YouTube video of Kyle going from Lambo to McDonald's. Yeah, that happened. I'm on a strictly McDonald's only diet for fucking the next month.
Wait, you're in Topstep's server? Is that like their actual server for content creators, or what is it?
No, it's just their Discord.
Yeah, I mean, is it for everybody, like public?
Yeah.
The Topstep server is open to everybody.
Yeah.
Okay. And it's just probably some idiots talking, probably talking to each other, arguing with each other. Who's the better trader there, huh?
There's like
I do hear a lot of
IC
people complaining.
They split everybody up. Like ICT has their own channel. Order flow people has their own channel.
Nah, I wouldn't want to be with ICT people. Then it will feel like I'm not with smart people. I'm just with some other idiots who are probably not watching his video all the way or not backtesting. Because I know so many people watch his video but never backtest shit. And then they blame ICT why it didn't work. Motherfucker, you never backtest his shit. Forget about forward testing.
They got the ICT market profile, supply and demand zones, and order flow.
ICT does not do supply and demand zone. That's fucking Danny shit.
That's why they split them up.
All right, boys, I'm out of here. Good day trading. This is a lot of fun.
All right, fellas. See you tomorrow. Take care.
Yeah. Coming back at it again tomorrow. Peace.
Listen, anybody who went against us in trading, you're gay.
Gay as fuck. And chances are you lost money too, so you paid it. You paid the price. I'm talking about you, fucking Bashy. Okay. Fucking Bashy. Yeah, motherfucker muted. He's
Get
done.
on London time. What's London time for you, Kyle?
I think 9 a.m. But tomorrow I probably won't be on until a little bit later. I think, cause
Are you NFP?
No, definitely not NFP.
No, that's why we wanna trade London. So now we don't trade the
NFP, yeah.
No fucking NFP.
I wanna trade London. That's it.
3:30 p.m. for me. NFP.
Bruh, and people who trade NFP are either DDL or like to the moon.
Or shambles, fuck. Dude, he made 7K off what, 2 contracts in like a minute last NFP, right?
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Like 200 ticks or 300 ticks.
No, it moved 200 points, dude, in like 5 minutes, I think, dude. That was fucking nuts. I think that was NFP. Yeah. I don't know. We gotta ask Shambles.
You're watching that shit going up and down.
Fucking savage, dude. No, it just went straight up, dude. Like a mile up. Like it fucked up everyone's charts and everything, dude. Like that was just insane.
You have to hold the like trade for a couple of minutes or so.
No.
Well,
Yo, this was like somebody from another server that I'm in, and this is what they did with their Topstep account on NFT.
What did they do? Send it into the live chat.
I'll just put in chat.
What the fuck?
Oh, live chat? Oh, shit. I put it in main chat.
Yeah, main chat. I always forget about that live trading chat.
What did he do? Reach, maintain.
He made 40K instead of his 3K. Oh my lordy. I bet he wishes that was an XFA, dude. Holy shit.
The account is gone?
No, it's not gone. You just gotta make more. So he made what, 20K? No.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, because your
You have
greatest.
to make double.
So yeah,
You have
you.
to make an additional 40,000?
Yeah.
What the fuck is that?
Yeah. So okay. So what happened there was you can your best profit day has to be less than 50% of your total profit, and you got to hit 3K. So you can only make $1,500 your first day. If you make more than $1,500, you got to make more the next day.
Yeah, evil account on take profit because they're gonna do the same shit to me then. 'Cause I'm like 1600. They said you
Well,
cannot be up
when
more than
you're in like XFA, then it's fine. But then like when you do this,
Yeah, it's just for the combine.
Yeah, but what about
yeah,
the
this
take
guy
profit?
was like,
I have that
looking at this guy's account's gone.
Yeah, he's got some work cut out for him. I would just reset at that point. That's fucking. Yeah, too bad it isn't an XFA. That would have been nuts. Then Topstep would have been bitching. What do you mean I gotta pay him out 20K fucking on an XFA? Yeah, they're gonna be mad at dude. They're probably gonna move me to live again, and it's gonna be really annoying.
Just,
I don't.
Don't you just blow that shit up and they just kick you off?
With the XFA?
Yeah.
No, you can have 3 XFA accounts, but if you don't have a live account, they're gonna switch it all to live.
Online. I mean the live, because I remember there was like this girl or some shit. She was making hella money, and then when she went live, she instantly just started losing money.
Oh, poor Topstep.
because like on my 2 of my evil accounts, I was supposed to not make more than 1,500, but I made like around 1,600, 1,700.
Oh, that's fine. You just gotta make an extra $100 or an extra $50 or some shit the
fuck
next
that, I
day.
should just go lose, bro. I should go just lose that.
Oh yeah, lose it then. Yeah.
Yeah. If you make over the consistency rule, it's just best to just start like making trades that lose money.
Yeah.
That's what I did today.
No, but the thing is,
Bashy, the too long hero.
You can't.
Okay, but wait, what about the fact? Because like it says over total profit, it was 3,000, but gross PL, it's 1,600 right now.
All right, guys, I'm gonna get out of here. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Yeah, take care.
Bye. All right, we're done officially. 15K day. Let's go. Damn good trading. Did good today. Woo woo. After losing our Topstep Live funded account, we just made an additional $15,000 after we just took a $16,000 payout this morning. Woo woo. Let's go. Till tomorrow. Peace.